I don't know. It's like a cheat code for me. Going into masterminds, going into
Yes.
sessions, going and learning from people, right? It's like a time travel, to be honest. कि 3 साल की information मैंने किसी से ले ली. Now I have saved my 3 years of life, and I'm wiser at the same age.
So my first book's subtitle is Shit Happens in Life. Your happiness is your responsibility.
Correct.
हर किसी को बोलता हूँ, भाई तुम मदर टेरेसा नहीं हो, मदर टेरेसा एक थी और वो एक ही रहेंगी।
So I tell this to people: is success is not an option, right? It's a sacrifice.
10 लोग आए थे पहली वर्कशॉप में, 499 की वर्कशॉप थी। वो 10 लोगों में से 7 people became part of my next level of program, next level of learning. That also gave me confidence. Jatin, what you did in the workshop was absolutely worth it. Now, when I contribute to people's life without an expectation, और नीरज मैं बताना भी चाहता हूँ, शुरू में मेरा जर्नी था जब मेरा मोटो सिर्फ पैसा कमाना था, और जब मेरा मोटो सिर्फ पैसा कमाना था मेरे पास क्लाइंट ही नहीं आता था।
So the person we have today with us has transformed more than 20,000 lives. He's an award-winning life coach, a Ho'oponopono healer. He is 4 times best-selling author internationally and a TEDx speaker, right? So please welcome Inspiring Jatin. So, welcome, Jatin. It's a privilege to have you on my show, and I'm looking forward to this conversation because मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि इससे बहुत लोगों को बहुत कुछ सीखने मिलेगा, and I'm really glad that I can have you. So, please accept my warm welcome, and looking forward to this conversation.
Thanks, Neeraj. I'm so happy that you have something like this so that a lot of people like us are waiting there for some message from the universe, and probably that message has to come through us. So I'm equally excited. बहुत excited हूँ मैं value add करने के लिए.
या मतलब वो अलग ही एक्साइटमेंट होती है लोगों को खुशी देने में जो मजा आता है ना वो और किसी चीज में नहीं है लाइक व्हेन यू आर अ
Yes,
गिवर
true.
ना इट्स लाइक देयर इज नथिंग मोर ब्यूटीफुल देन दैट so let's start with everybody knows like you are like a life transformation coach now, an award winning one that too.
Hmm.
So let's go back to like when did this journey start? How did you realize like this is something that you were meant to do?
Um, I realize शायद जो coaches बनते हैं and at least especially with me, it wasn't on the plates at all. I was into corporate for 14 years. That was also not on my plates. I always wanted to become an actor. लेकिन if I go back to the journey from the childhood, I wanted to be an actor.
Got
But
it.
God had different plans for me due to whatever circumstances. I had to start working, right? I lost my father when I was 16. And I'm the only earning member of my family. So मेरे पास और कोई ऑप्शन नहीं था, मतलब काम करने के अलावा कोई ऑप्शन नहीं था. So the moment I passed my school, I started working in BPOs. So willingly, unwillingly, I got into corporate. 14 years काम किया. लेकिन जब मैं ट्रेनिंग डिपार्टमेंट में आया, मुझे बोलने का शौक तो शुरू से ही था. इनफैक्ट स्कूल के टाइम से ही स्टेज जो एक लाइमलाइट है, वो स्टेज पे एक प्रेजेंस है, वो बचपन से ही बहुत शौक
Hmm.
है. And whenever I was on the stage, I always got appreciated for that particular work. वह चाहे वो एमसी का रोल हो, चाहे किसी डिबेट कंपटीशन हो, तो आई रियलाइज कि कहीं ना कहीं एक स्पीकर तो अंदर था ही, ठीक है.
Got it.
उसको थोड़ा सा मुझे चांस ज्यादा, उसको क्या कहते हैं, ज्यादा एको जब हुआ जब मैं ट्रेनिंग डिपार्टमेंट में मूव हुआ कॉर्पोरेट्स में, व्हेन आई बिकेम अ ट्रेनर. और ट्रेनर का
Hmm.
काम ही प्रेजेंट करना है, बोलना है, कम्युनिकेट करना है. तो जब मैं ट्रेनर की जर्नी से ट्रेनिंग मैनेजर की जर्नी तक पहुंचा, जहाँ मुझे नए लोगों से मिलना होता था, उनको मोटिवेट करना होता था, तो वो 10 मिनट का सेशन या 15 मिनट का सेशन, इम्प्रॉम्प्टो इंट्रोडक्शन एंड अ कॉन्वर्सेशन विद द न्यू हायर्स और न्यू जॉइनर्स ऑफ द कंपनी, आई यूज्ड टू गेट वन compliment at the end, sir, you're so inspiring, you should start a YouTube channel. तो मुझे अच्छा
Nice.
लगता था सुन के, पर इनफैक्ट उस समय भी मैंने कभी सोचा नहीं एक्चुअली आई कैन बिकम अ मोटिवेशन स्पीकर और अ लाइफ कोच, और आई कैन स्टार्ट अ यूट्यूब चैनल. आई यूज्ड टू ऑफ कोर्स ब्लश, आई यूज्ड टू फील हैप्पी अबाउट इट एंड मूव आउट ऑफ द रूम. तो ये
Yeah.
जर्नी कहीं ना कहीं सबकॉन्शियसली, पूरी जर्नी बचपन से ही, ये कहते हैं ना, वो होती जा रही थी तैयार. बट दिस इज प्रोबेबली हाउ इट हैड टू कम टू मी.
नाइस. आई थिंक ये काफ़ी लोगों के साथ में रेजोनेट करेगा दैट देर इज सम एलिमेंट ऑफ अस दैट इज लाइक इन्फेक्शियस टू अदर पीपल, राइट? एंड यू गेट टू रियलाइज इट व्हेन यू एक्सप्लोर योर सेल्फ. So I think training was like common element with me as well. Like I realized कि अच्छा training में is something that people like me while I speak, right? So very common coincidence here, right?
Yes.
So I like it. Now let's discuss about, how was your, like, you started with like working in 16 years of your life, right? And you had to face a lot of things that happened at that time. Does that like help you now with your life coaching? Like, does that help you with how people come to you with their problems?
Sure, I'll answer that to you. But before that, I just want to add to your previous question's answer because you asked how did the journey come to this point.
Got it.
So probably this was a subconscious journey or unplanned journey of me becoming a speaker or motivating people. However, my difficult situations in my life, whether it was a sexual abuse in the childhood or it was father's demise or it was a bad or toxic marriage, right? I think the real life coaching element only came out when I realized that I need coaching now. I was in a
Got it.
toxic marriage and it became very difficult for me to manage my personal life and professional life because people might say work life balance, but I don't believe it exists. If your
True.
personal life is impacted or personal professional life is impacted, both are going to get impacted. You cannot balance both. So when you have a fight at home, you cannot be at peace at work. So I've gone through that situation where everything got just messed up, Neeraj, and then I realized, you know what, I need to talk to someone. I was feeling suicidal also a lot of times, despite facing so much in my childhood. I still had that thought. इतना कुछ
Got
देखा
it.
उसके बाद कभी सुसाइड का थॉट नहीं आया, लेकिन एक पॉइंट आया 2019 के आसपास के, यार नहीं अब नहीं हो पाएगा मैनेज, आई वांट टू टॉक टू समवन. So luckily my ex manager was a life coach herself. I spoke to her at length. She recommended to me to attend a life transformation seminar for 3 days. Transforming seminar it was for me. Not only I had a different point of view towards life and I started looking at life differently, apart from that, I also got my motive, my life's purpose there. I tell you, this is where I really wanted to tell you this. When I was looking at that room, there were 200 more people along with me, Neeraj. And within 2 days, 12 hours each, within 2 days of the session, our life coach was able to cause tears of transformation to most of us. Tears of joy, tears of transformation. And I was observing the energy of the entire room. I said, wow, what a profession. This man is getting blessings from all those people who are feeling happy after dropping those baggages from the past, from the childhood. And looking at his personality, I could figure out he was making a bomb. I said, this is what I want to do. I did not know how it will happen. I had no idea how to become a life coach. In fact, I asked my manager how to become a life coach. She wasn't able to guide me, though she herself was a life coach. But as you know, when you place the order with the universe with the right intention, it just falls in place. And few months later, I started getting ads on Google, Instagram about becoming a life coach. And when in that 3 day session, when I observed my life coach doing what he was doing, I said, universe, I want to do what he's doing. I don't know how I will do it. You'll have to help me with it. I want to make people happy. I want to give the same tears of joy to other people. I want to create this energy of happiness, joy, and transformation. And I want to be a life coach. That is how the journey of life coaching began. And that's where the journey of Jatin Gupta to inspiring Jatin began. And
Nice.
it's just a combination of everything. Now you spoke about your second question was about what I've gone through in my life. How does it help? See, everybody who comes to me as a client, everybody has a different situation. Definitely, when you go through a lot of hardships in life, you become more compassionate towards people. मेरा चाइल्डहुड ट्रॉमा दूसरा हो सकता है, एक क्लाइंट का चाइल्डहुड ट्रॉमा दूसरा हो सकता है, बट जो उसके इमोशंस और उसका एक फेज है कि एक इंसान के साथ जब ट्रॉमा होता है तो वो किस फेज से गुजरता है, वो डेफिनेटली एक कंपैशन मेरे अंदर रहता है. और माय मेंटोर सेज एक अच्छा कोच की एक क्वालिटी है कि वो कभी भी अपने क्लाइंट के साथ इमोशनल ना होके उसके साथ उसके भावनाओं में ना बह जाए. So I hear everything, and as a coach, I'm trained to understand the hidden pain. They don't even know. Most of the times, Neeraj, clients cannot interpret what is that real problem. They will say, मेरे husband ने ये करा, मेरे husband मुझसे बात नहीं करते, मेरे ये नहीं करते. These are just the situations. बट ये इसका रूट कॉज क्या है, इसका बैकग्राउंड में हिडन रूट कॉज, वो मेरा जॉब है आइडेंटिफाई करना. एंड समहाउ आई डोंट थिंक आई हैव नॉट गॉन थ्रू एनीथिंग that anybody will go through. You talk about abuse, you talk about bullying, you talk about losing someone in the family like my father, going through a bad marriage, financial crisis. I've gone through everything. So I have no regrets of what universe had put me through, because I realized it had to happen for me to do what I'm doing today. So it definitely helps to relate to people better, and it also helps to understand, Neeraj, that I was not the only one who had to go through so much. And it empowers me to help more and more people, because fortunately, I don't know if it was because of my parents or because of my school, because of my teachers, I don't know. I can't just name one person who helped me sail through the trauma of being bullied in school. It was a huge trauma. And I just, now when I look at people's situation, I said, wow, Jatin, you handled it pretty well. But people don't have that kind of, probably, teachers around or parents around or the environment around. You got to do something for people now. So that only helps me to feel more motivated to do more for people. And I always feel I can do more and I want to do more. So it's actually a capsule for me to get energized and boosted to do something more for people.
So, looking at somebody who has gone through so many things, right? I tell this to people that, you know, your pain has a purpose bigger than you, right? You went through so many pain, from abuse to bullying to losing someone very influential in your life at an early age, right? Your father.
Yeah.
And, now is that become an advantage to you, right? Because I tell this to people that people who have gone through the same pain can never be each other's enemies, right? So people with the pain can understand each other very well. So as a life coach, if somebody has gone through so much of trauma himself, he can be as kind a person as somebody needs them to be, right? Because then they have that open heart ki, okay, nothing is small, like from
Yeah.
bullying to maybe disrespecting someone. Because क्या होता है कि हमें लगता है कि बहुत छोटी सी बात है, राइट? बट वो बात किसी को किस लेवल पे अफेक्ट कर दे, सबकॉन्शियसली
True.
वी नेवर, right? A lot of time I have deal this ki, when I started journaling, Jatin, is like that time I have cried many times. Because जब आप journal करते हो, जब आप physically कुछ करते हो, a lot of things that don't appear normally will come out,
Yeah.
right?
True.
Like that is when I realized कि ठीक है, I had an accident that broke my neck, I had gone through bullying myself, I had gone through a lot of things, right? So like when I was in my journey of pain, I never realized कि उसका meaning क्या है, right? Now you realize कि that was meant to make you from Jatin Gupta to Inspiring Jatin, right?
Yes.
Similarly, it made me from Neeraj to Dream with Neeraj. Like why do I wanna give to the society? Because when I went through something, आई स्टिल लाइक इट बॉगल्स माई माइंड इज कि अगर नीरज उस बेड पे जब उसका गला टूटा था वुड हैव गिवन अप ऑन हिमसेल्फ, दिस नीरज वुडंट एग्जिस्ट.
Yeah. True.
सेम वे द जतिन जिसके साथ में ये सारी चीजें हुई हैं, इफ ही वुड हैव गिवन अप ऑन हिमसेल्फ, राइट? आई थिंक
Mm.
सुसाइडल थॉट्स आना is not a joke, right? That means you have been broken to your core, right?
Yes.
And from then when you survive and you come back now, like when you hit the rock bottom, the only way to go is up, right? And that
Absolutely.
is when the transformation happens, right?
Mm.
So like you as an individual who has gone through so many things is very inspiring to see कि वही सेम बंदा एक TEDx speaker बना, वही सेम बंदा एक Guinness World Record winning participant बना, right? The same guy went on to write 4 international best-selling books. Like you've did so many things जो एक करने के लिए यू नीड टू हैव गॉन थ्रू सो मेनी पर्सपेक्टिव इन लाइफ, राइट? सो लाइक इट्स वेरी वेरी इंस्पायरिंग फॉर मी ऑल्सो टू लिसन, एंड दैट इज एग्जैक्टली वॉट आई वांट टू गिव बैक टू पीपल. बिकॉज क्या होता है ना कि व्हेन वी नो कि somebody इज डूइंग द सेम थिंग, सो फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर कोई बीमारी से जा रहा है, राइट, ही कैन रिलेट विद मी. कोई अब्यूज से जा रहा है, ही कैन रिलेट विद जतिन, राइट? कि हाँ ठीक है, ये बंदा भी उसी चीज से गया है जिससे मैं गया हूँ, बट आज ये बंदा लोगों को ट्रांसफॉर्म कर रहा है। आज ये बंदा एक लाइफ कोच है। आज एक बंदा लोगों के अंदर जो सबकॉन्शियसली वो खुद नहीं ढूंढ पा रहे, उनको वो ढूंढ के दे रहा है, राइट? तो
Hmm.
people can correlate with that. Okay, if he
Yeah.
can do it, if Inspiring Jatin can do it, so can I. If Neeraj can do it, so can I. So
True.
that's a very beautiful gift to
Yes.
give to others. And I love this quote by Albert Einstein. Is like, there is no life better lived than lived in service of others, and that is what exactly we are doing, right?
Yes.
So like it's very very amazing. So now let's pivot this to a little light conversation. मतलब हमने काफी heavy बातें कर ली है, and I wanna see a brighter side of you. So let's start with, like, you told your manager was a life coach, but she didn't know like how to transform you into a life coach, right? So like how did that exactly happen? Like, can you give a timeline to your journey? Ki, this is the year when I started with like becoming a life coach myself, and this is like, you can you give some reference how that journey started and what all happened?
See, it was a very overwhelming journey, Neeraj. एक side पे I was managing my personal situations, like marriage में problem था. उसी time पे that manager was very helpful, but somewhere there were a lot of unspoken emotions, और मेरा corporate life में भी बहुत problem चल रहा था, और मुझे बार बार ना ऐसा फीलिंग आता था कि जतिन बस तेरा हो गया अब corporate में. Universe will give me a sign कि यार now it's over. And I love that lady, my ex manager I'm talking about. I love that lady for telling me that Jatin, probably it is an expiry of the corporate career. It is time for you to do something big. And I asked her how to become a life coach, and she said, she couldn't really guide me. So technically, I had to do everything on my own, just like I've been doing it from my childhood. सब कुछ खुद ही करना था मुझे. तो मैंने कहा चल गूगल करके देखते हैं ना. And I have to be honest here, I was not very internet savvy. मतलब इंटरनेट था, स्मार्टफोन था, सिर्फ व्हाट्सएप फेसबुक चलाने के लिए और ईमेल्स चेक करने के लिए. मैंने अपने मोबाइल फोन में कभी गेम भी डाउनलोड नहीं किया होगा. मतलब आईफ़ोन भी लिया था तो उसका मैंने कुछ इस्तेमाल नहीं किया जो लोग करते थे
Got it.
उससे इस्तेमाल. सो मैंने कहा मैं क्या करूँ? गूगल करके देखते हैं, राइट? आई वाज़ नॉट इवन अ गूगल सर्च पर्सन. आई सेड हाउ टू बिकम अ लाइफ कोच. आजकल कहते हैं कि गूगल और इंस्टाग्राम हैज़ द एबिलिटी टू रीड योर माइंड बिकॉज़ ऑफ द एसईओ. यू सर्च समथिंग
Yeah, yeah,
एंड यू
true.
स्टार्ट गेटिंग एड्स रिलेटेड टू दैट. तो मुझे लगा ये, और ऑफ कोर्स वो यूनिवर्स का ही साइन होता है. मैं एक और चीज सबको बोलना चाहता हूँ व्यूअर्स को, अगर आपके सामने कोई एड भी आ रहा है जो चीज आप चाह रहे थे उससे रिलेटेड, वो इत्तेफाक नहीं है.
नहीं है.
अगर नीरज मैंने उस एड पे, चाहे मुझे नहीं, वो एड फ्री था अटेंड करने के लिए और उस समय कोविड नहीं था. 2019 की ही बात है ये, जब मैंने वो थ्री
ओके.
डेज का सेमिनार अटेंड किया था. उसके बाद मेरे माइंड में आया कि नहीं, मुझे लाइफ कोच बनना है.
बनना ही है, हाँ.
इफ आई रिमेम्बर करेक्टली, I decided in Feb I want to be a life coach. 2019. Around April or May, I got that advertisement and I attended the seminar in a five-star hotel in Delhi.
Got it.
Uh, Seminar was very impressive, very alluring. How you can become a life coach, और लाइफ कोच बनने से पहले ये चीज मैसेज बहुत क्लियर किया था उस होस्ट ने कि आप लाइफ कोच नहीं बन सकते जब तक आप अपने बैगेजेस को, अपनी लाइफ को चेंज नहीं करोगे.
Hmm.
सो
Hmm.
फर्स्ट इज सेल्फ ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन, देन यू ट्रांसफॉर्म अदर्स लाइव्स. तो
Correct.
मैंने कहा इंटरेस्टिंग बहुत है. और उस समय कॉर्पोरेट में थे तो आपको पता है ईएमआईज होती है, लिमिटेड इनकम होती है, और मैनेजर
Correct.
बनने के बाद तो इंसेंटिव नाम की कोई चीज होती नहीं है ट्रेनिंग मैनेजर बनने के बाद. So I was like, and I had limited funds, Neeraj, and the amount was quoted in lakhs, and lakhs for a recorded course, not even a live
Oh.
course with the coach.
Oh. Oh.
And it was a non-COVID time. We did not know COVID will be coming after a few
हाँ.
months. I said,
True.
how do I do this? Like, I don't have. And उसी समय मेरे अकाउंट में कुछ पैसा था जिसका मुझे पर्सनल लोन को क्लोज करना था, प्री
Got it.
क्लोज करना था. सो आई हैड अ
Okay.
चॉइस टू आइदर प्री क्लोज दैट लोन, जो मैं बहुत टाइम से करना चाहता हूँ ईएमआई बंद करने के लिए. आई वाज टायर्ड ऑफ ईएमआईज. या दूसरा ऑप्शन था उस पैसे को इस कोर्स में इन्वेस्ट करना. आई क्या करूँ मैं कहा देख क्या है. यू वांटेड टू बी अ लाइफ कोच, यू वांटेड अ
Hmm.
प्लेटफॉर्म. दिस इज एग्जैक्टली व्हाट यू वर वेटिंग फॉर. पैसा कमा, ईएमआईज यू कैन स्टिल पे, but your opportunity may not come back. And I just took that opportunity. And Neeraj, I'm so grateful even to the host who was hosting that entire
Hmm.
seminar
Hmm.
for pushing me. People may feel they are being sold, but if somebody doesn't push you that time, we have the patterns of not taking actions in life because of lot of negative belief system and
True.
limiting belief system. And if I wouldn't have taken an action, Neeraj, I started a journey, I think April, May, recorded था lifetime course है तो I was doing it at my own pace while the corporate journey was on. That liberty I had.
Okay. Okay.
बट किसको पता था कोविड आ जाएगा, किसको पता था सब कुछ ऑनलाइन हो जाएगा। तो जैसे ऑनलाइन हुआ ना सब कुछ, कोविड जैसे ही खत्म हुआ, मैं while I was in corporate, नीरज, आई वाज डूइंग माय कॉर्पोरेट जॉब एंड माय कोर्स साइमल्टेनियसली। मैं रात रात को शिफ्ट से आता था, 2 घंटा लैपटॉप खोलता था, वो कोर्स को फॉलो करता था, एवरीथिंग आई वांटेड टू, बिकॉज आई रियलाइज दिस इज माय एग्जिट वे फ्रॉम द
Got,
कॉर्पोरेट्स, दिस इज माय
got it.
प्लान बी नाउ। So
Okay.
that's how the journey started, and I'm very grateful to COVID. If COVID wouldn't have really existed, I wouldn't have existed. So,
Actually, it's pretty interesting because a lot of people have benefited from COVID, right? It exposed a lot of people with reality कि क्या चाहिए. Like a
yeah,
lot of people can't talk to themselves. Like वो अकेले टाइम स्पेंड करने वाली जो बात होती है ना वो करता ही नहीं है कोई. Because फिर ना वो क्वेश्चंस आते हैं कि जो जिसको तुम अवॉइड कर रहे हो ना हमेशा से, वो क्वेश्चंस आंखों के सामने आते हैं. And
true.
you try to keep yourself busy with other people, with your work, with your life, right? But COVID में क्या हो गया? Everybody had to face their fears.
Yes,
Everybody
absolutely,
had to face their insecurities. And I guess जिन लोगों ने उसको overcome किया है ना, those people have like skyrocketed with their life, right?
absolutely, absolutely.
So I think very interesting plunge. And ऐसे ही होता है. I think तुम्हारे पास में either you can discuss or you can decide, right? you you can't do
Yeah,
both,
true,
right?
true, absolutely.
And मैंने ये मतलब जतिन के वर्कशॉप में बोला था, इट्स लाइक आई हैव बीन पार्ट ऑफ हिज authoring journey. And I told, I don't know if you remember this, that I said that you either pay with your time or with your money, right? You're eventually gonna pay. Nothing is free,
Hmm.
right? तो if
Right,
you wouldn't have taken that decision and वो मन में बात रह जाती ना, तो 10 साल के बाद में भी वही decision, वही opportunity में भी आती. But now you have wasted 10 years of your life. People don't understand that,
true,
right?
very true.
So तो
Yes,
अगर करना ही है, then do it now, and if not now, then when? Because
yes,
if you're so sure कि ये चीज मेरे लिए नहीं है, that is the step one. See, I feel, this is my personal take, कि कभी कभी हमें नहीं पता होता कि what is meant for us, right? You might be not knowing कि you were going to become inspiring Jatin, you were going to give a TEDx talk, right? But you knew कि ये चीज मेरे को नहीं करनी. Now that
true.
is enough as a step one to begin with, right? A lot of people don't understand that. उनको ये चाहिए होता है कि मुझे को पूरा एक आगे का रोड मैप चाहिए. नहीं होता रोड मैप. I want to emphasize it. किसी को नहीं पता होता आगे का रोड मैप. Like nobody
Right.
has that. You eventually figure it out. All you need to know is step one.
Yes. And just to add to that, Neeraj, you cannot learn swimming until you get into the water and swim. I can teach you the steps. And this is how you swim. Until you get inside, you're not going to learn swimming. And there'll be situations you may be just drowning, but there's somebody to save you as well, right? So I am so grateful to universe for pushing me for a decision. And Neeraj, that was probably the first big decision in my life where I did not discuss with anyone. I had the option to call my mom. I had the option to call my partner that time, and I knew if I call one of them, they'll say, "No, no, it's too expensive. Leave it. We'll do it later when you have more money." And that day will never come. When you have more money, also you have other things to take care of. So I am so very. I'm just sharing with all the viewers also. भाई अगर कोई opportunity आ रही है और अंदर से gut और soul की call आ रही है ना भाई कर ले. Don't even think how other things will be managed. It will just fall in place. और आज नीरज हम पॉडकास्ट नहीं कर रहे होते अगर मैंने वो डिसीजन नहीं लिया होता तो।
True. Neither would I exist without that, right? Uh,
एग्जैक्टली।
पता नहीं, like this is something that people need to understand कि you have to go into that sort of zone जहाँ पे कुछ समझ में नहीं आएगा. Like it's part of the process. Like
यस।
you have to take the plunge when you are like very scared to jump.
या।
That is the point, exactly when you jump, right? You have to like fall before you fly, right? You cannot fly like in one go. So अगर
राइट।
अगर गिरने से डर लग रहा है तो वो तो तुम्हें करना ही पड़ेगा उड़ने से पहले, like,
या।
right?
ट्रू।
And that is something there, because जब मैंने अपना जॉब क्विट किया था, The funny thing is I quit on my birthday, right? And you know, I I had two cakes, like एक farewell और एक happy birthday. Very weird. Like my office was like, क्या कर रहा है ये लड़का? I was like, I was getting promoted. I was doing exceptionally well. I was like best employee, stuff like that. I was good, right? I had showed them that I had a very good potential in me, but I also knew कि I had way more to give to the society, right? And the point was time. लोग इसको बहुत अंडर एस्टिमेट करते हैं. यू ओनली हैव वेरी लिमिटेड टाइम. सो सिंस आई
Yes.
ऑलमोस्ट डाइड वंस, आई न्यू कि यू नो अगर मैं कल चला गया, वुड आई बी वेरी ओके विद वॉट आई एम डूइंग राइट नाउ? आई वॉज लाइक नो, आई वुडेंट बी वेरी ओके विद वेर आई एम राइट नाउ. बट हाँ, आज अगर मैं बोलूँ ना कि इवन इफ जतिन समथिंग हैपन्स टू मी टुमारो, आई विल बी कंटेंट. आई विल बी
Yeah.
कंटेंट बिकॉज सक्सेस फेलियर डजेंट मैटर. I can't live with regret, right?
Mhm.
And today I don't have regret. I took the decision, and then I went to my mom and I said, I know that you know you want me to do certain things in life, but please understand that I need to take this step. Because see, nobody else apart from you would understand, because only you have the potential to do it, right? Only you can be inspiring Jatin, only you can be dream with Neeraj, right? So no matter how much you explain to someone, it will not make sense, right? And they will tell you ki, why do you want to do this? You are crazy. Exactly, and that's a good thing. Being crazy is good. Being mad is good. Because for me, mad is like making a difference, right? You're making a difference
Yeah.
being mad person.
Exactly. Yes.
So
That's the
yeah.
abbreviation of making a difference. Yeah.
Yeah, and I love the fact that I did what I felt, because I'm so glad of the journey that I've come through. I'm so glad and proud of the guy who was on the bed. Now he's sort of inspiring people, right? Because मुझे भी नहीं पता था जतिन कि when I started making video on Instagram, right, I grew to like 40,000 plus in 3 months, right? I was not there since then, but what I thought was कि ठीक है, सब लोग डिप्रेशन से जाते हैं, सब लोग, like I was on my lowest after quitting the job, because I was learning the process of like being very self independent, being, it was like कि ऐसा नहीं था मेरे पास कुछ बैकअप था, and I wanted to like put my skin in the game, because when I put my skin in the game, like टाइगर पीछे होना चाहिए, right? So it's very important in
Yeah.
life to put something online so that you give your best, right? अगर तुम्हारे पास में, so I tell this to people, is success is not an option, right? It's a sacrifice. You have
Yeah.
to put something online. It won't be like a comfortable process, because any comfortable process can't make you grow. Only discomfort can make you grow. You
I
need to
agree.
realize that in life, right? So I'm very glad that I pushed myself into discomfort, because now I have climbed that wall, right? And now that wall is like a playground to me. I seek problems, because there are no problems, only opportunities in my life. So I'm very excited. Okay, this is something that I can't do right now. Okay, so
Yeah.
I'll upscale and I'll do this. I'll upscale and I'll do this. Now that's a very big shift in your mind, राइट? बिकॉज़ वो लोग अलग तरीके से देखते हैं, अच्छा ये तो हमारे लिए बना ही नहीं है, अच्छा ये तो हम कर ही नहीं सकते. पीपल नीड टू रियलाइज़ कि देयर इज़ अ लॉट ऑफ प्रोग्रामिंग दैट हैपेंस थ्रू योर जीन्स, थ्रू योर फैमिली, थ्रू योर
Yeah.
एनवायरनमेंट, थ्रू योर पीपल, राइट? And you have to break that. You have to break yourself. Unlearn is very important. Like unlearning is the most important thing if you have to grow. बिकॉज़ वो बदलना पड़ता है खुद का सिस्टम. जब तक वो सिस्टम नहीं बदलेगा, हाउ कैन यू क्रिएट अ न्यू पर्सोना, राइट? इफ यू
Yeah.
एक्ट द सेम वे you used to, you cannot become the person you want to, right?
True.
So
Absolutely.
that is very interesting. So now I want to know कि you were trying to become a life coach, right? And you were doing your corporate job. So like when was the time when you took the plunge, you finally put the paper, and then you started with your own thing? Because that is pretty exciting for me, like putting the paper and doing the thing.
I wish I had that opportunity. So what happened was, it's very interesting. This is a very interesting journey, and now I'm laughing at it. Right, that time I was scared what's gonna happen. So I'll share. The reason I laughed is because when I look back, I said, "Really? I was worried about that. I'm so happy today." So, Neeraj, I told you I already had some tiff going on with the organization management. बहुत सारा कुछ तो, क्योंकि पर्सनल लाइफ का कहीं ना कहीं वो फ्रस्ट्रेशन, वो सब इम्पैक्ट प्रोफेशनल लाइफ पे हुआ था. तो बहुत एक, कहते हैं ना, अनसेड वॉर तो था ही. एंड दे
Got
वर
it.
लुकिंग फॉर एन अपॉर्चुनिटी कि हम इसको निकालें कैसे. Like they really
I
wanted to
see.
throw me out. But
Okay.
because of my work and integrity, they were not able to find a reason कि इसको निकालें तो कैसे निकालें. काम भी सही है बंदे का, सब कुछ डॉक्यूमेंट करके रखता है ये सब. How do you throw him out?
Yeah, I get it.
So COVID was their savior and my savior too. So they were अब COVID में क्या था लोगों के पास organizations के पास बहुत अच्छा बहाना था निकालने का. We have to look at cost cutting and we are looking at resources that are not needed right now. So and this happened only after I became a published author. So when I was undergoing my life coaching training, every mentor, in fact now, every mentor says, if you want to be a life coach or any kind of coach, any professional service provider, you must have a published book. You should
Got
be an
it.
author because it builds your authority. I
Yes.
had that in mind. I couldn't do YouTubing like a lot of other people who became successful today from the
Got
COVID
it.
time. I thought, okay, let's write a book. Anyways,
Yeah.
organization has no work to give to me. They are all in shock. What will they
Yeah.
do? They had no work for me anyway. What to do now? So thanks to that time, I got time to jot down and come up with my first book. My book was published on the 1st of September 2020 after whatever efforts I had put in. And the organization did not know I was writing a book. First, of course, I was so happy. I shared it with my ex-manager who was a life coach. I also added her name in the acknowledgement. I don't know what conversation they had with the management. Now this guy is ready to move out. 3rd September 2020, they called me for an HR meeting online.
Got it.
HR, my ex-manager and me. So they did not say because you've become an author, we have to let you go. They gave a reason of they don't need me anymore. So Jatin, effective today, you're terminated.
Oh,
I said, really? And as per the, see, it's a private job, right? And they have the terms and conditions.
yeah.
They can
Yeah.
terminate
Yeah.
you with 2 months of
Yes.
salary. I got 2 months of salary also. And they, because I was an old employee, a tenured employee, they gave me something called some Gracia, something they call it. Which is
Gratuity.
not gratuity, some Gracia. I think I'm forgetting the
Okay.
name of the
Okay.
thing.
Okay.
It's a Gracia, like it's like a what you call well
Benefit.
goodwill payment.
Goodwill.
You
Goodwill.
spent
Okay.
good
Okay. Got it.
amount
Got
of
it.
time
Got it.
with
Got it.
us, and you've been a good employee. So 2 months का additional salary. I said, wow, 4 महीने तो मेरे निकल गए और अब पीएफ भी था तो कुछ लैक्स में था तो आईडी आई वाज सिक्योर्ड बट आई सेड व्हाट नेक्स्ट
What now? Yeah.
what now? I lost a job and I was at a reputed position of training
Yeah.
manager और
Yeah.
काम में पे कोई दिक्कत नहीं थी.
Huh.
Then that's when the introspection started, नीरज कि मेरा लाइफ कोचिंग का सर्टिफिकेशन हो चुका था. ऑथर बेस्ट सेलिंग ऑथर में बन चुका था. I said, do you really want to go back to corporates? Do you really want to? और कहीं ना कहीं वो टूटी फूटी वीडियोस बनानी भी शुरू हो चुकी थी यूट्यूब पे. आज
सही
मैं
है.
देखता हूँ तो मुझे हंसी आती है बट वो शुरू हो गई थी.
Oh,
राइट.
nice.
एंड देन फ्यू पीपल फ्रॉम माय कॉर्पोरेट वर्ल्ड आल्सो स्टार्टेड वाचिंग देम जो मेरे फेसबुक पे थे या इंस्टा पे थे.
हाँ हाँ
तो जब मैं
हाँ.
इंटरव्यूज में जाने लगा ना ऐसे ऑनलाइन इंटरव्यूज हो रहे थे ट्रेनिंग मैनेजर के ऐसे
करेक्ट
अप्लाई.
करेक्ट. हाँ
बैकअप
हाँ.
जॉब तो चाहिए ही था ना बिकॉज इसका तो कुछ
करेक्ट
पता नहीं था
करेक्ट
कैसे होगा. एंड
करेक्ट.
आई एम गिविंग द इंटरव्यू बट आई एम नॉट फीलिंग मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ मैं क्यों बोल रहा हूँ ये. आई डोंट
गॉट
वांट
इट.
टू डू दिस. लाइक अंदर से बोल रहा हूँ मैं रिजेक्ट हो जाऊँ. मैं रिजेक्ट हो जाऊँ. नीरज का बिकॉज आई हैड अ फैमिली टू टेक केयर ऑफ राइट. माय मॉम वाज सेइंग जॉब तो करना पड़ेगा ना कैसे कमाएगा.
हाँ, सही
ईएमआईज
बात
है
है.
ये है वो. दैट्स हाउ दीस पेरेंट्स ऑपरेट आउट ऑफ फियर. तो वो
ऑब्वियसली
फियर आपके
ऑब्वियसली.
अंदर भी डाल देते हैं.
हाँ
तो
हाँ
पर
हाँ.
अंदर से मैं चाहता था मैं किसी इंटरव्यू में क्लियर ना हूं. नीरज
गॉट इट.
आप देखो ना आयरनी कहीं से रिजेक्शन नहीं आया बट आई नेवर हर्ड बैक फ्रॉम एनी ऑफ द इंटरव्यूअर्स.
गॉट इट.
Because where you put the focus, that's where the energy flows. Energy क्या थी मेरी रिजेक्शन वाली. तो अप्रूवल कहाँ से आता. कहाँ से मुझे हायरिंग की कॉल आती. तो टेक्निकली देन आई टुक अ कॉल आफ्टर 3-4 इंटरव्यूज. आई एम नॉट मेड फॉर दिस. 4 महीने का सैलरी है और दो और काफी अच्छा पीएफ है. मेरे आराम से 6-7 महीने का बैकअप निकल जाएगा. एक चैलेंज उस समय बस ये था नीरज ये मैं कह रहा हूँ ये चैलेंज आज मेरे लिए वो बहुत बड़ा मेरे लिए बहुत फेवर वाला सिचुएशन में था बिकॉज टू मेनी थिंग्स वर गोइंग ऑन विद मी. आई वाज आल्सो गोइंग थ्रू माय सेपरेशन लीगल
या
डॉक्यूमेंटेशन डिवोर्स
या
प्रोसेस. बहुत चीजें चल रही थी उस टाइम पे भी. वो साथ में जॉब चली गई. कोई बैकअप प्लान नहीं था. तो अगर मैं जब भी मैं हंसा कि अगर उस चीज को वापस देखूं तो वो मेरे लिए ही हुआ है. इफ दैट वुडंट
करेक्ट.
हैव हैपेंड आई वुडंट हैव बीन व्हाट आई एम टुडे. आई जस्ट वांट टू टेल एवरीवन जो गीता में बोला है ना कृष्ण ने जो सार में भी लिखा है और ये एक्चुअली में सच है. जो हुआ वो अच्छे के लिए हुआ. जो हो रहा है वो अच्छे के लिए हो रहा है. और सच में जो भी होगा वो आपके अच्छे के लिए ही होगा. और नीरज मैं एक भी चीज नहीं बोल सकता कि वो मेरे अच्छे के लिए नहीं हुआ, including my father's death. If he wouldn't have probably died at an early age when I was just
Hmm.
16, I wouldn't have become self-dependent. मैं
Got it.
शायद उन औरों की तरह मैं भी उनके पैसों पे ऐश करता कुछ सालों तक, but जो आज मैं हूँ, now my mentor asked me, Jatin, do you want to go back? Do you want your father? I said I would want my father back, but not at the cost of losing what I have achieved today.
Got
They
it.
said, do you want to lose what you have today in terms of happiness? I said no.
No.
If
Yeah.
that had to call for an abuse, for bully, for losing my father, for losing a job, for having a divorce, for staying away from my child, it was absolutely worth it because I am contributing to people's life. I am earning blessings. Blessings has lot of energy in it,
True.
and
True.
that
True.
is absolutely worth it. तो ये मेरा जर्नी था वो. आई विश आई वुड हैव सेड यू नो व्हाट आई डोंट वांट टू वर्क विद यू, वो वाला ऑप्शन आया नहीं, मुझे टर्मिनेट किया गया. बट आई एम वेरी ग्रेटफुल टू द पर्सन हु टुक द डिसीजन कि अब इसका टाइम है यहाँ से जाने का,
Got it.
बिकॉज आई हैड टू एंटर द वर्ल्ड ऑफ ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन.
सो वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. लाइक मेरे को एक चीज़ इसमें बस ऐड करनी है टू जतिन्स पॉइंट इज लाइक जब सारे दरवाजे बंद हो जाते हैं ना, इट इज़ बिकॉज इट इज़ मेंट टू टेक यू टू द राइट डोर.
यस.
गॉट इट.
यस.
तो वो हम उस टाइम पे समझ नहीं पाते कि अरे ये नहीं हो पा रहा, वो नहीं हो पा रहा, बिकॉज गॉड हैज़ पुट समथिंग बिगर फॉर यू. और वहां तक पहुंचाने के लिए तुम्हें वो सारे दरवाजे क्लोज करने होंगे ना, बिकॉज फिर तो तुम चले जाओगे पहले दरवाजे में ही, एंड देन यू विल बी
एग्जैक्टली.
सेटिस्फाइड. बट यू नो, एज यू सेड कि हाँ ये चीजें हो गई, एंड समटाइम्स यू जस्ट हैव टू चूज. लाइक जतिन, मेरे को एक चीज ये जरूर लगती है कि एनीबडी हु वांट्स टू क्रिएट हिज ओन लाइफ, they have to choose the life they want, right? They have to be someone who has a lot of intentions कि मुझे ये चाहिए, I want to do a intentional living, right? Because a lot of people just react to life कि ठीक है चल रहा है, ऐसे ही होता है, ऐसे ही नहीं होता है. And one thing that you said hit me is parents. I want to emphasize on this is कि they always want their safety. It is hardwire in them, right? Even if I have a child, I would like, okay, इसको पहले save करो. Like it's very biological and a very
या.
mental love from the parents. Even Krishna, you know, when he had to leave you know, his own village, his own mom, because वो वापस नहीं आ पाया उस पे कभी. He was like कि मुझे मेरा कर्म तो करना ही, I have to go. You want me to be safe in this village, you want me to be here, you want to love me, and I appreciate that because that is what a mother would do. They can just love
या.
you, right? But वो तुम्हें रिस्क में नहीं देख सकते. They can't see you bleed, they can't see you get hurt, they can't see you in pain. But you know what, that is exactly how you grow. That is
या.
exactly how you grow. And this is so beautifully described in, you know, Mahabharata and stuff like that, because तुम्हें छोड़ना ही पड़ता है यार. You have to leave the comfort and your parents and everything. And the journey, it starts from within you. If the key of your happiness is someone else, the anchor is someone else, you will always live in the fear of being unhappy. Because कल को कोई
या.
और चला गया, you are unhappy. कल को ये हो गया, you are unhappy. If you are very content, like Krishna Bhagavan said, I'm very content with my own actions, I'm very content with my own karma, right? I know this is what I need to do, so I'll do this. So be very very content and be your own spark in life, right? Don't
या.
make anybody else give that key to you. So that is what I wanted to add, but very interesting. I love the conversation. And
या.
you know what,
इनफैक्ट.
you
हाँ.
yeah, yeah,
Yeah,
please
go
please
ahead.
go on.
No, no, please go ahead. Please go ahead. You were saying something.
Yeah, so like I just wanted to pivot it to like you quit your job, like you know this thing happened, and then you were like done with the life coaching. Now you decided you don't want to go to the corporate space. This is not what you're meant to do. You had that clear vision in mind. Now you also had your first book published. You became a best-selling author, right? So after all of this happened, right, how did you like started the thought of कि अच्छा ठीक है, I'll become the first non-fiction author, like teacher, who will guide people, who will coach people, and you have transformed so many lives, like more than 20,000 people through your life coaching, through this thing. So like, how did this click? कि अच्छा ठीक है, life coaching is I have learned, but a lot of people can, you know, become an author and that can transform their lives, right? So how did that transition happen?
Like you said sometime back, Neeraj, right? You can't just get a blueprint and a roadmap of everything. Like you have to
Correct.
go through the experience. और ये सच
Got
है.
it.
मतलब जैसे मैंने बोला कि लाइफ कोचिंग कभी पहले तो मुझे वर्ड ही नहीं पता था लाइफ कोच होता क्या है. पर वो सिचुएशंस ने मुझे समझा दिया, बता दिया ये होता है लाइफ कोचिंग. एंड
Correct.
दिस इज व्हाट यू शुड डू. अब जब मैं ऑथर बना तो ऑथर बनने में भी एक बड़ा ही जर्नी था मेरा। आई हैड अ वेरी बैड एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ पब्लिशिंग माय बुक विद द पब्लिशर आई हैड पब्लिश्ड विद, एंड आई वाज लाइक यार बड़ा ही डिफिकल्ट प्रोसेस है, बट इसका कुछ इजी वे भी जरूर होगा, मतलब जहाँ पे मुझे, सो आई डोंट लाइक टू डिपेंड ऑन पीपल नीरज। चाहे वो मेरी खुशी हो, चाहे मेरा कन्वीनियंस हो, मेरा लग्जरी हो, आई लाइक टू डू थिंग्स इन, आई लाइक टू कीप थिंग्स इन माय कंट्रोल एटलीस्ट फॉर माय ओन हैप्पीनेस। So I realized when I was doing, when I was giving outsourcing the publishing process, वो मेरा को डिपेंडेंसी था किसी और के ऊपर मेरी किताब के लिए। तो मुझे को डिपेंडेंसी वाज, आई वाज नॉट लाइकिंग इट। तो दूसरी बुक लिखी एंड आई हैड प्रॉमिस्ड माई सेल्फ कि यार मैं आगे जितनी भी बुक्स लिखूंगा ना, आई विल नॉट पे एनीवन, बिकॉज व्हेन आई वाज डूइंग माय गूगल सर्च ड्यूरिंग कोविड, व्हेन आई वाज राइटिंग माय बुक, there were ways of free publishing also, but I did not know how to do it. But thanks to internet, I was able to do a lot of research, बहुत ताम झाम करके ढूंढ ढांड के
हम्म।
जुगाड़ निकाल के पता चला कि ऐसे फ्री पब्लिशिंग होती है। तो फिर मैंने अपना जो दूसरा बुक था रेस्क्यू रोमांस, वो मैंने अपने आप ही सेल्फ पब्लिश किया विदाउट पेइंग अ पेनी, एंड आई वाज हैप्पी, आई हैड द होल कंट्रोल विद मी। जो मुझे करना है मैं खुद करूंगा। अब जब ये हुआ, तो जो आपके कोच फ्रेंड्स होते हैं, जो इस इंडस्ट्री से आपको जानते हैं, they,
हम्म।
of course, anybody who was interested to do that, they also started contacting me कि जतिन
गॉट इट।
कैसे कर रहा है यार, हमें भी बता दे। तो
करेक्ट।
मेरा तो काम ही लोगों को हेल्प करना, और फ्रेंड्स को तो हेल्प करूंगा ही ना जो मेरे को जानते हैं, व्हाई
हाँ हाँ।
नॉट। सो आई स्टार्टेड
यस।
गेटिंग ऑन टू जूम कॉल्स विद देम या फोन कॉल्स विद देम, आई स्टार्टेड हेल्पिंग देम। और
गॉट
कुछ
इट।
लोगों ने जेन्युइनली उसको फॉलो करके किताब लिख भी दी और मेरे ही प्रोसेस से छाप भी दी।
नाइस।
And I said, wow. And they were blessing me. God
गॉट
bless
इट।
you, Jatin. I'm so happy today, यार। मतलब मेरा सपना था यार एक बुक लिखना और किताब छापना, तूने मेरा सपना पूरा करवा दिया।
पूरा करवा दिया।
एंड आई एम सो हैप्पी। जब मैंने ये वर्ड सुना ना, मैंने समथिंग स्टक इनसाइड मी। बार बार जब ये सुनना, मैंने कहा यार, यू बिकेम अ लाइफ कोच टू मेक पीपल हैप्पी, बट व्हाई डू यू ओनली वांट टू मेक पीपल हैप्पी एज अ लाइफ कोच? वो स्किल तेरे पास है, बट यू आल्सो
हम्म।
मेकिंग राइटर्स हैप्पी बाय मेकिंग देम सेल्फ पब्लिश बेस्ट सेलिंग ऑथर्स। तो ये भी तो तरीका हो सकता है उनको हेल्प करने का, हैप्पी करने का।
करेक्ट।
तो ये बस वहां से एक शुरुआत हुई। डिस्कस विद माय मेंटर, ही सेड if book writing and now publish self publishing has become your asset, your strength, you should always work on things that are your strengths, so that your
करेक्ट।
brain can get more evidence that you're capable to do something you have not done before, if you know
गॉट इट।
you are good at it। बस वहां से वो जर्नी स्टार्ट हुई। 3 डे वर्कशॉप ऐसे ही ऑर्गेनिकली प्रमोट किया। आई वाज पार्ट ऑफ मल्टीपल ग्रुप्स थैंक्स टू कोविड। हर जगह कोर्सेज दिख रहे थे, ग्रुप्स बन रहे थे, आई वाज पार्ट ऑफ मल्टीपल ग्रुप्स। बट वहां पे डाल दिया गाइस, आई एम डूइंग अ 3 डे वर्कशॉप। 10 लोग आए थे पहली वर्कशॉप में। 499 की वर्कशॉप थी। वो 10 लोगों में से 7 people became part of my next level of program, next level of learning. So that also gave me confidence, Jatin. What you did in the workshop was absolutely worth it. And it's time that you also get into this venture. Why to stop transformation just to life coaching? You can also do that via help, via by making self-published authors. Because as you said, when you journal, when you write your own book, there are a lot of things that you also share from your life, and you
ट्रू।
do release a lot of negative emotions when you write things.
यस।
तो
यस।
वो वहां से प्रोसेस स्टार्ट हुआ। और फिर ऑफ कोर्स लक्ष्मी आती किसको बुरी लगती है, राइट? सो अनदर सोर्स ऑफ इनकम
ट्रू।
कमिंग टू माय लाइफ। सो टेक्निकली बहुत अच्छी चीज किसी ने बोली थी, किसने बोली थी मुझे याद नहीं है, कि जहां सरस्वती होंगी वहां लक्ष्मी जरूर होगी।
ट्रू।
तो एंड एंड यू नो व्हाट नीरज, दिस इज सो ट्रू। मतलब मैं ये नहीं कह रहा कि जिसको पढ़ा लिखना नहीं आता है वो लोग अमीर नहीं बन सकते। डेफिनेटली आपके माइंड में बहुत पावर है कुछ भी करवाने की। तो ये सच है कि आप मेरे साथ, बिकॉज आई हैव एजुकेशन, आई हैव नॉलेज, आई के नॉट बी डिप्राइव्ड ऑफ मनी, लक्ष्मी। दैट्स अगेन एनर्जी, राइट? सो
गॉट इट।
that's how I got into author coaching. एंड द रीजन
वेरी
नॉन
इंटरेस्टिंग।
फिक्शन बुक्स, नीरज, बिकॉज देखो मेरा मोटो क्या था लाइफ कोच बनने का? लोगों की मदद करना। तो मैंने खुद नॉन फिक्शन बुक्स लिखी, सेल्फ हेल्प बुक्स लिखी कोविड के बाद। कोविड से ही लोगों को इतनी हेल्प की जरूरत थी। तो मैंने
गॉट इट।
सोचा फिक्शन तो वैसे भी लोग शौक में लिखते हैं, पैशन में लिखते हैं, राइट? पर फिक्शन में नॉट ट्रांसफॉर्म समवन्स लाइफ।
या ट्रू।
So why not indirectly also take blessings from readers of those authors who are becoming non-fiction authors because of me?
Got
I
it.
never discourage anyone to not write fiction, but what I'm saying is prioritize non-fiction self-help because the world needs help. That's one. Number two, in Gita, that's what I understood because Gita जो पढ़ता है हर किसी का interpretation अलग होता है.
अलग होता है.
मेरा
Yeah.
इंटरप्रिटेशन जितने चैप्टर्स पढ़ के ये हुआ है कि गीता में कृष्ण ने बहुत बार ये बात बोली है कि ये हर इंसान का एक मॉरल कहते हैं ना एक रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है दूसरी सोल्स की मदद करना. तो अगर वो मदद एक किताब के थ्रू भी हो सकती है तो व्हाई नॉट. सो थ्रू मी
True.
I'll be if I create, let's say we have a community of more than thousand authors now. So even if those thousand authors have two readers each,
Got
सबसे
it. Yeah.
गंदा
हाँ,
एग्जांपल लेके
हाँ.
भी सबसे नीचे का
हाँ, वर्स्ट केस
200
सिनेरियो. या.
लोग worst case scenario में भी people are transforming their lives, they're getting
करेक्ट.
knowledge,
करेक्ट.
they're getting help. That was the whole objective of me becoming a coach. तो यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा सेल्फिश मोटो है कि उनको ब्लेसिंग मिलेगी एज अ ऑथर तो थोड़ा बहुत इनडायरेक्टली ब्लेसिंग्स मेरे पास भी आ जाएंगी. दैट्स द
गॉट
होल
इट.
थिंग.
अरे 2000 छोड़ो, 2 लोग भी ट्रांसफॉर्म हो रहे हैं तो क्या बुरा है? लाइक
वही
2
मैं कह
लाइव्स
रहा
आर
हूँ ना
नॉट
दो
लेस.
लोग भी.
या.
कितने लोग हैं जो लोग हम लोग कॉर्पोरेट की लाइफ है किसकी लाइफ ट्रांसफॉर्म हो रही थी मतलब ठीक है मैं मैनेजर था
नहीं,
तो मेरी
नहीं.
टीम की लाइफ चेंज हो रही थी बट टेक्निकली वो चेंज क्या वो उनकी कॉर्पोरेट लाइफ में लिमिटेड था सब कुछ.
या,
How
या,
were
या.
they happy because of me? They were not, probably, right? But if someone's book is making someone happy, that is what I wanted to do. And Neeraj quickly sharing the reason I got more motivated to become an author coach is my second book, Rescue Your Romance. Very like it's a readable book, short read है. बट उस बुक की वजह से मुझे किसी ने रीच आउट किया था और मुझे बहुत मैसेज भी किया था सर बिकॉज ऑफ योर बुक आई सेव्ड माय रिलेशनशिप अदरवाइज मेरा ब्रेकअप हो जाता. और पूरा ऑब्जेक्टिव वो बुक लिखने का यही था
यही था.
कि
एग्ज़ैक्टली.
मेरी शादी ना चली हो चली दूसरों की तो चल जाए.
हाँ,
यू
किसी की
नो
तो चला
आइदर
दो.
यू आर आइदर सक्सेसफुल और फेलियर एट दैट टॉपिक देन ओनली यू कैन
या, या.
शेयर. एंड
येस,
आई वाज
एग्ज़ैक्टली.
लाइक अगर वो एक मुझे पता है उससे ज्यादा शादियां ट्रांसफॉर्म हुई हैं बट अगर वो एक के बारे में मुझे पता है मुझे बड़ा सुकून मिलता है ये सोच के भी कि मेरी बुक ने किसी की शादी बचा दी.
या,
दैट्स
या.
ऑल. दैट इज व्हाट आई वांटेड टू डू.
एंड इट्स वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग, पता है क्या, कि यू शुड ऑलवेज सीख कि सामने वाले की फेलियर से सीखो. राइट. बिकॉज यू वेंट थ्रू अ मैरिज जहाँ पे तुम आपको पता था कि दिस थिंग्स डजंट वर्क. राइट नाउ यू कैन रूल इट आउट फॉर दैट पर्सन, सो वो बंदा वो गलतियां नहीं करेगा. आई डोंट रिमेंबर द नेम ऑफ द बुक, बट देर इज अ बुक रिटर्न जस्ट कि मैंने लाइफ में ये गलतियां की, प्लीज डोंट डू इट. दैट्स द ओनली थिंग इन दैट बुक कि दिस आर द
या
मिस्टेक्स दैट आई हैव मेड. एंड इट्स वन ऑफ द लाइक ट्रेंडिंग बुक्स बिकॉज इट्स वेरी हेल्पफुल कि हाँ ये चीजें मत करो. लाइक नाउ यू हैव सेव्ड सो मच ऑफ योर टाइम कि you don't need to do this. And book, I think, is one of the influential habit in transforming someone, like reading books, writing books.
या
uh, and personally, no hate to any fiction fan, like I don't read fiction books at all. Like मेरा book का process ये होता है कि मेरी लाइफ में ये प्रॉब्लम आ रही है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल व्हेन आई वाज एट माय लो, आई रेड द बुक बाय डेल कार्नेगी, लाइक हाउ टू स्टॉप वरिंग एंड स्टार्ट लिविंग. राइट, इट्स अ
या
फैबुलस बुक. आई वुड recommend it to anyone who is like low in life. एंड तब से मेरे को इतनी ज्यादा आदत लग गई ना, लाइक आई हैव लाइक स्पीड रेड अ लॉट ऑफ बुक्स इन पास्ट 6 मंथ. उसके पहले मैंने जिंदगी में कभी बुक पढ़ी नहीं थी. एंड आई हैव ऑल्सो रोट माई फर्स्ट बुक. सो इट्स लाइक आई सी का प्रॉब्लम, उसके लिए कौन सी बेस्ट बुक अवेलेबल है, देन आई बाय इट, देन आई क्विकली रीड इट. अच्छा ठीक है, ये प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व. लाइक फॉर मी, every problem has a book. Why should I solve it myself? Like if somebody has already done it, it's a
या
brilliant way. And I am obsessed with biographies. I am obsessed with books who have like
वाह
ऐसे लोगों की चीजें, because I think that's a hack in life. How do you become wiser at a younger age? You read the life of people who have spent like 100 years, 80 years perfecting, being perfect in life or trying to achieve things, right, that you want to achieve. And that, I think, is, I don't know, it's like a cheat code for me, going into masterminds, going into
यस.
sessions, going and learning from people, right? It's like a time travel, to be honest. कि 3 साल की information मैंने किसी से ले ली, now I have saved my 3 years of life and I'm wiser at the same age, right?
एग्जैक्ट.
People don't understand this. Everything is available out there, everything. It's just that you need to act to pick it up, right?
यस.
कितने लोग कॉन्शियसली ये सोचते हैं कि अच्छा मैं बुक क्यों रीड कर रहा हूँ, बिकॉज आई कैन रीड अ बुक. सो देर इज एन इंटरेस्टिंग बुक नोन एज पाथलेस पाथ. व्हेन आई क्विट माय जॉब, इट्स द सेम बुक. एक गाय ने अपना जॉब क्विट किया विदाउट अ बैकअप. व्हाट इज अ डिफॉल्ट पाथ, व्हाट इज अ पाथलेस पाथ. एंड आई वाज लाइक, ओके, ही हैज गॉन थ्रू द सेम जर्नी, लेट्स सी व्हाट इज हिज पर्सपेक्टिव. He has quit his job and now it's been 6 years. He has a podcast. He has traveled. to different places, right? After quitting. कैसी उसकी journey रही है? What were the ups and downs? How can I learn that? What are the things that he have taught? And it resonated with me. And the reason I wrote book, the same thing that you mentioned, Jatin, is ki I have gone through a very unique experience. I can deliver a lot of value for a person who has maybe gone through a lot of pain, but he's doing good now, right?
Hmm.
So I have like literally made a very short read in my book, like, and it's like a roadmap for a person who maybe is somewhere lost in life, but he wants to figure out and aspire to be someone, right? Like, it's for anyone who can dare to dream, right? So I feel key it's always the intention that is the most important, and then the act upon that intention that amplifies your goal,
True.
right?
True.
So let's move on to, like, you became a life coach, then you became an author. One more thing that I would like to add, just like as you said, I didn't knew, like, I grew my Instagram pretty fast, and now, like, I consult people in terms of social media, right?
Hmm.
I also have agency going on, helping people with, services, managing their account. Like, I never thought that I would be good at it, but now that I grew it, I understand the social media game. People reached out ki, okay, you did it, can you guide us? It's a starving market. Like, there are a lot of people who want to learn, who want to grow. Content creator का award हुआ है इस साल, right? It's a big step to
Yeah,
understand
exactly.
कि now the government has recognized that this is a thing that is going to last and become the part of society. Creator economy is going to be like a half a trillion by 2027, and India is a very very big chunk of it, right?
Yeah,
And personal branding is going to be the thing. And if you can help people with personal branding, if you can help people with growing on social media game with any service, you are like diving into a host of opportunities out there,
true.
right? So be open and perceptive to what you can deliver to the society. Everything is about demand and supply. जिस चीज की डिमांड है, अगर वो सप्लाई करोगे तो तुम कमाओगे, सिंपल एज दैट. आई मे बी गुड एट सिंगिंग, बट अगर किसी को सिंगर चाहिए ही नहीं तो आई एम यूजलेस, राइट? आई नीड टू बी
Exactly.
परसेप्टिव कि क्या चाहिए लोगों को, एंड यू रियलाइज इट कि हाँ ठीक है, लॉट ऑफ पीपल वांट टू बिकम एन ऑथर. दे नीड अ लिटिल पुश, दे नीड अ लिटिल गाइडेंस. एंड योर जर्नी जो इतनी डिफिकल्ट थी, राइट, दैट taught you कि exactly इसको सबसे easy way में कैसे किया जा सकता है. Now let's give that
Yeah,
solution to anybody out there, right? You solved a
exactly.
major problem. Try to
Yes.
solve problems for people, and that is how you earn, right? If
Yeah.
you really really add value in people's life, you will immensely get back the same thing.
Hmm.
So
Very true.
yeah,
So technically, every book, every problem has a book. Like people say, every
yes,
problem has a solution. Every problem has a book, and that's why, of course, when you read books, you learn, as you said, you learn from people's experiences. Like Tony Robbins, the father of life coaches, he says,
yeah,
"If you want to be successful in life, find someone who has achieved the results you want to achieve, copy what they
true,
do, and you will achieve the same results. So, why do you want to build
agreed.
a new wheel when there is already a successful wheel?
Huh,
Somebody has already built it, you just have to follow it. Right?
yeah,
And I love what he says, and this is what he promotes also. Copy what they're doing, find someone who
yeah,
is
yeah, yeah.
successful, and you want to do what exactly they have achieved.
True, you
Simple.
don't have to reinvent the wheel every time, like it's done. Just
It's
use
not
use
needed.
what's working.
Exactly. And that's why, when
Yeah.
you read books where people are sharing their experiences of how they had managed this, that can help someone. Because people,
Hmm.
these are all skills you learn with time. Unfortunately, our education and parenting system is not that strong that it can impart you with life skills. That's why
True.
life coaches exist. So ये जो चीजें हैं, like relationship management हो या money management हो, health management हो, या even career पे जो आप peer management होता है या work pressure management होता है, ये सब skills हैं जो आपको कोई नहीं सिखाता. That's why
Got it.
people are failing in most of these areas only, नीरज. आज कोई भी
Yeah.
पाइथागोरस थ्योरम को लेके परेशान नहीं है कि उसको पाइथागोरस थ्योरम नहीं आया था.
सही
और कोई
बात है.
इससे भी परेशान नहीं है, वो गाय का ऐसे नहीं लिख पाया था स्कूल में.
हाँ, हाँ.
लोग परेशान हैं, उनके पास पैसा नहीं है. पैसा है तो रुकता नहीं है. पैसे से
Correct.
दे डोंट हैव द लग्जरी दे वांट. दे कांट फुलफिल देयर डेली नीड्स. हेल्थ हेल्थ को कभी प्रायोरिटी में इतना रखा ही नहीं था. बचपन से बोला ही नहीं, यू शुड
Got
कीप
it.
योर बॉडी इंटैक्ट सो दैट इट कैन सेव यू एंड सपोर्ट यू टिल द लास्ट ब्रेथ. वो किसी ने नहीं बताया, राइट? रिलेशनशिप, चाहे वो मियाँ बीवी का हो, चाहे भाई भाई का हो, चाहे माँ बाप का हो, चाहे टीचर टीचर का हो, मेंटर मेंटी का हो या बॉस का हो, we have never been taught how to manage relationships. So technically, मैं किसी भी शादी में, अगर कोई शादी टूटती भी है, टेक्निकली nobody is wrong. ना तो उस लड़की को बताया गया कि आपको एक नए घर में कैसे मैनेज करनी है चीजें, ना
Correct.
जिसके घर में वो आ रही है उनको भी नहीं पता नए घर वाले को कैसे इंक्लूड करना है
हाँ,
अपने साथ। तो इट्स जस्ट अ वेरी ब्रोकन सिस्टम अनफॉर्चुनेटली। एंड आपको फिर लाइफ के एक्सपीरियंसेस या फिर लाइफ कोच मिल जाए अच्छा, तो वो आपको सिखा देगा भाई कैसे आपको लाइफ को आगे मैनेज करनी है
हाँ।
स्किल्स को।
Basically, the most important life skills like money management, your emotions management, relationship,
हम्म,
कोई भी लाइफ स्किल्स स्कूल में सिखाया ही नहीं जाता है, टू बी ऑनेस्ट, अपार्ट फ्रॉम सोशलाइजिंग। लाइक उसमें भी
या
बुलिंग हो जाती है, तो देर इज अ
हाँ
लॉट ऑफ रेट्रोस्पेक्ट देयर कि इट नीड्स टू इम्प्रूव अ लॉट, इट नीड्स टू हैव लाइक द एक्चुअल थिंग्स दैट पीपल
यस ट्रू
नीड व्हेन दे ग्रो अप,
एब्सोल्युटली।
राइट? आई थिंक एक
They
सिंपल
only
सी चीज
said
अगर
you
मैं,
have to make money, you have to make money, but how to make money तो वो किसी ने सिखाया नहीं। Like one example, right?
या
और
या
हमेशा मुझे याद है जॉब की बात कही है, डॉक्टर बनना है, इंजीनियर बनना है, लॉयर बनना है, but nobody spoke about happiness also. You have to be happy in life.
हाँ,
अब बहुत
करेक्ट,
बात हो रही है थैंक्स टू कोविड, अब सिर्फ हैप्पीनेस की बात होती है हर जगह पे, राइट?
करेक्ट,
तो अच्छी बात है, देर आए दुरुस्त आए, क्योंकि ये हैप्पीनेस वर्ड जो है ना यही सबको
बहुत
इवेंचुअली
इंपॉर्टेंट है,
चाहिए। ये
करेक्ट
अच्छा है,
करेक्ट,
लोगों को रियलाइज होगा कि ये मटेरियलिस्टिक चीजों में नहीं रखा है, ये एक्चुअली अंदर से
हाँ,
आता है। मटेरियल चीज होने के बाद भी नहीं अगर अंदर से नहीं है तो उसके बाद भी नहीं आएगा। तो
हम्म,
कोविड हैज, आई थिंक कोविड वाज अ सेवियर फॉर लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स। आई एम सो
यस यस यस,
ग्रेटफुल
एग्जैक्टली,
कि मेरे जीते जी ऐसा एक फेज आया जहाँ पे चाहे वो पुरानी पीढ़ी हो, चाहे वो नई पीढ़ी हो, सारे जनरेशन्स को एक रियलिटी चेक मिला है कि भाई लाइफ इज नॉट अबाउट हैंगिंग आउट, हैविंग मर्सिडीज। वो सब पार्क भी थी ना कोविड में, सब खड़ी हुई थी, but you were
हम्म,
still like, were you happy inside? That's when people started introspecting. So my first
करेक्ट,
book's subtitle is shit happens in life, your happiness is your responsibility.
करेक्ट,
हर किसी को बोलता हूँ, भाई तुम मदर टेरेसा नहीं हो। मदर
हम्म,
टेरेसा एक थी और वो एक ही रहेंगी। आप अपने दुनिया जहान को खुश करने में नहीं लोगो, जो बंदे को आप शीशे में देखते हो ना, बस
हम्म,
उसको रोज देख के उसको फील आना चाहिए, हाँ भाई तू खुश है। And including parents, Neeraj, I always tell people, every soul, including our parents, they have their own journey to go through. हर
यस,
सोल की एक जर्नी है। आप वो उदास है बिकॉज आपकी शादी टूट गई। अरे आपने थोड़ा बोला उनको उदास होने के लिए, आप तो खुश हो ना। तो
हाँ,
technically they should be happy because you are happy. Every
यस,
parents want to see their kids happy. If your kid
या,
is happy being single, you should be contributing to my happiness by being happy.
करेक्ट,
If
करेक्ट,
your parents are unhappy, that is their responsibility. ये एक चीज बोलने में ना नीरज कितने लोगों के बैगेजेस ड्रॉप होते हैं। लाइक आई हैव
हाँ,
क्लाइंट्स
हाँ,
who are sad because their parents are not happy. I said, are you Mother Teresa? No. Do you want to become? No. Can you become one? No. Then
नो,
are you happy? No. Then what are you concerned about their happiness? So ये एक चीज सबको समझना है। आई एम नॉट सेइंग आप पेरेंट्स के लिए सब कुछ करो, बट आप उनकी जर्नी में इंटरवीन मत करो। अगर उनकी जर्नी में पीड़ा लिखी है तो पीड़ा खा के ही जाएंगे, वो भुगत के जाएंगे।
हाँ, हाँ, सी,
जर्नी में हैप्पीनेस लिखी है, आप जितना मर्जी उनको इग्नोर करो वो हैप्पी ही जाएंगे। तो डोंट
करेक्ट,
इंटरवीन इन द जर्नी, जस्ट बी पार्ट ऑफ इट एज इन बी देयर, but don't try to make them happy or sad. You contribute to your own soul's journey. Supreme power has sent you to contribute to your own soul and other souls positively by not intervening in someone's journey. That is what I wanted to share here.
सो आई थिंक यहाँ पे ना मैं एक चीज़ को ऐड करना चाहूँगा, लाइक ब्यूटिफुली जतिन हैज़ सेड दिस इज़ कि फॉर पेरेंट्स स्पेसिफिकली कि मोह और प्यार में बहुत फ़र्क होता है, राइट? यू नो, इवन कृष्णा भगवान सेड दिस टू राधा, यू फील लाइक यू लव मी बट राइट नाउ यू डोंट लव मी, यू आर लाइक मोहित हो गए हो तुम, लाइक बिकॉज सी ही वॉज the most beautiful person in the entire universe, right? So everybody would be like very infatuated, very attracted, अच्छा अच्छा ठीक है, ये तो like
Very
mesmerizing,
charming. Hmm.
very charming. So there is a beautiful example like of a bird, right? जब तुम उससे प्यार करते हो ना, तो तुम उसको बंद पिंजरे में नहीं रखते हो बिकॉज यू वांट टू ऑलवेज कीप दैट बर्ड विद यू, यू लेट इट फ्लाई, and
Yeah.
when you actually love that bird na, that bird will fly and come back to you, right?
Hmm.
So it is very interesting for parents to understand this कि जब तुम धागे को बहुत ज्यादा बांध के रखने की कोशिश करते हो ना, it breaks.
Yeah.
When you leave it's from both the ends कि हाँ ठीक है, थोड़ा तुम पकड़ो थोड़ा हम पकड़ो, बिकॉज एक साइड से जब वो होता है ना, तो दूसरा बंदा छोड़ देता है और फिर वो बंदा गिर जाता है, राइट? यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस, यू कैन नॉट कीप समबडी ऑलवेज विद यू बिकॉज यू जस्ट वॉन्ट टू फील लाइक कि हम, ये मेरे पास है या मैं इससे प्यार करता हूँ या हमेशा इसको मेरे साथ ही रहना चाहिए. यू
True.
जस्ट हैव टू समटाइम्स लेट देम गो, लेट देम बी, एंड देन दे रियलाइज
Yes.
कि अच्छा दे रियली वॉन्ट मी टू बी हैप्पी, सो आई अप्रिशिएट देयर सपोर्ट, सो आई विल कम बैक फॉर द सपोर्ट. राइट?
True.
अगर बर्ड को पता है कि ये बंदा मुझे जाने देगा, जब मेरे को उड़ना है ये मेरे को उड़ने देगा, तो मैं वापस आऊंगा ना। अब मुझे अगर पता है कि ये बंदा, मैं एक बार भी गया तो मेरे को पिंजरे में बांध देगा, तो मैं क्यों आऊंगा वापस?
Hmm.
It's the
I
same
agree.
example as sand. Like, you try to
True.
hold it, it will drip away, right? So this is a very slight line, but very important line. Like, it makes a lot of people happy or unhappy. So like, अच्छा किया आपने ये टॉपिक लाया, इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक फॉर पीपल टू अंडरस्टैंड। एंड मैं स्कूल्स को
Yeah.
बोलना चाहूंगा, प्लीज जर्नलिंग की एक सिंपल सी हैबिट लोगों की लाइफ में डाल दो, आधे से ज्यादा लोग खुश हो जाएंगे, राइट? लिटरली।
True.
So very amazing. Now let's pivot it to, like, you are a TEDx speaker. So how did that happen? Like, somebody, coming from that, a lot of baggage, फिर job हो गया, फिर ये authoring का हो गया. How did your TEDx thing happen?
So TEDx thing happened during all this COVID time only, and I think it was 2021 when it happened. एंड सच बता तो मुझे टेडिक्स के बारे में भी कोचिंग में आने के बाद पता चला, मुझे टेडिक्स के बारे में कुछ नहीं पता था कि टेडिक्स क्या होता है। जब आप नेटवर्किंग करते हो, आप ग्रो करना चाहते हो, आप चीजें यूट्यूब पे देखना शुरू करते हो, यू गेट टू नो ओ देयर इज समथिंग कॉल्ड टेडिक्स, दैट्स द लार्जेस्ट प्लेटफॉर्म और द बिगेस्ट प्लेटफॉर्म फॉर स्पीकर्स, where you share your story in 15 minutes
Correct.
and then contribute to people's life. ऐसे ये तो बहुत अच्छा प्लेटफॉर्म है फॉर माई एक्सपोजर, फॉर माई क्रेडिबिलिटी, फॉर माई कॉन्फिडेंस। बट कोविड में तो कोई फिजिकल इवेंट्स हो नहीं रहे थे, तो आई वाज गोइंग थ्रू टेडx वेबसाइट्स एंड अप्लाइंग फॉर मल्टीपल टेडx इवेंट्स। तो ऑनलाइन का एक ऑप्शन आया था कि ऑनलाइन आपको वीडियो सबमिट करना है, एंड इफ टेडx इट फॉलोज द गाइडलाइंस ऑफ टेडx, इट विल बी अप्रूव्ड एंड अपलोडेड। ऐसा ठीक है भाई, ऑनलाइन ही सब कुछ हो रहा है तो कोई बात नहीं, लेट्स गो फॉर इट। तो मैंने फिर वो अप्लाई किया एक ऑनलाइन वाला जो ऑप्शन था, एंड द ऑर्गेनाइजर ऑफ दैट ऑनलाइन थिंग कॉन्टैक्टेड मी एंड he said, what do you want to talk about? I said, I want to talk about relationships because that's my most burning topic for my own life also. Like, that's where I've struggled the most and I've had the most painful experience. I would like to talk more about it. So that's how the TEDx thing happened. But I want to share this here. There's so much of power in the manifestation when you do it without any expectation. मुझे याद है नीरज, इनफैक्ट मैंने अपने इंस्टा पे एक रील भी डाला था इसका, जब टेडेक्स, जब मैंने ये सब कोचिंग शुरू किया था, तो ऑफ कोर्स आई वाज इनटू एफर्मेशंस एंड लॉ ऑफ अट्रैक्शन एवरीथिंग। सो मैंने ये एफर्मेशन लिख दिया था दैट आई एम अ टेडेक्स स्पीकर बाय दिस एंड दिस डेट। 30th जून 2022 का शायद टाइम है, 21 का मुझे वो एफर्मेशन देखना पड़ेगा, पर वो मेरा एफर्मेशन का पार्ट था। और जब वो हुआ, एंड आई वाज लाइक ओ फ्रीक, दिस इज पार्ट ऑफ माय एफर्मेशन, एंड आई यूज्ड टू से दिस एवरी डे, I'm a successful TEDx speaker, I'm a TEDx speaker by this date and this date, and it actually got manifested। कहाँ से TEDx की जानकारी आई, ऑनलाइन हुआ, ये सब हुआ, तो it just fell in place। I realized when you manifest without any expectation, it just happens, and when you're in the right energy, I'm since I've become a life coach, Neeraj, I'm in the energy of growth, self development, growth. So like I share in my workshop, you're also part of, when you take the right action at the right time, you will never lose any opportunity, because I want to grow so much in my field, what I'm doing, I keep taking the right actions. If that's TEDx application, if it's maybe a world record application, whatever it is, I just want to keep doing things that can add to my credibility, my visibility, so that more people know me, more people can connect with me, and more people can contact me and get transformed through me. Unless they know me, they won't come to me. That's the whole thing. And even if they come to me, they won't work with me until they know this guy has done something in life. Everybody wants to work with successful people. Nobody wants to work with failures, right? So that's how it fell in place.
Very interesting. I tell this to people is your failure is only valued when you're successful, right?
Exactly.
Yeah, there are so many people who like try, but there are only very few who actually finish and cross the finish line, right? So yeah, you have to be very adamant. It's not about like कि मेरे को कोशिश करनी थी तो मैंने कोशिश कर ली just to show off कि हाँ ठीक है, I ticked कि मैंने try किया, नहीं हुआ. But there has to be like a very strong intention in the thing. So as you said, I want to share this is कि when I quit my job on the day I did it, obviously it was my birthday. तो birthday के बाद I did my first like journaling एकदम दिल से. So like I wrote what I expect from the year, right? I wrote some things. I wrote a lot of things. Like, it was like a letter to me, like a promise to me, and that came from my heart, right? I still have that book. I love journaling. And the funny thing is a lot of things from that are now a reality, right? And whenever I read that letter again and again, I am like, oh shit, man, I really did it. Like, a lot of people I have met, I've written in this book, "Okay, I'll meet this person." A lot of things that I've written, "Okay, okay, by this date I'll be doing this." Okay, I gave myself a deadline. I believe in deadlines a lot. एक
Yes,
बर्थडे
yes,
से दूसरे बर्थडे, and I still like feel like I've barely scratched the surface, but I'm very excited at the same time ki acha, if you really put an intention out and you really want to add value to people's life, the universe will always give back to you, right?
absolutely
And
true.
we need to understand this ki universe is always with you. It's not fighting against you. It's always with you, but the point is you have to take a stand for yourself, right? You have to take the right action at the right time. As you said, you have to have the right intentions, right? So very interesting. So finally your TEDx happened, and your TEDx, was it online or offline?
It was an online thing because there was no
Okay,
physical event.
got it. Got it. Ha, matlab, obviously like COVID times, so that is it.
Yeah,
So now you are also somebody who was like a Guinness world record winning participant, right? Can you shed light on that? Like, how did that happen?
that also was an interesting story to me. I think it's all about things falling in place on its own. So one of my what you call co-coach, I can say somebody from the same community where from where I've done coaching, he contacted me because and I was not even aware of this Guinness World Record कहाँ हो रहा है कैसे हो रहा है कुछ नहीं पता था मुझे बिकॉज मेरे कहीं ये एफर्मेशन में भी नहीं था मतलब या तो आपके गोल में भी हो ना तो आपको याद रहे आपको उसका मतलब पता था गिनीज वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड है इज द बिगेस्ट क्रेडिबिलिटी फॉर एनीवन ही कॉन्टैक्टेड मी जतिन एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है गुजरात में दे आर डूइंग अ ग्रुप गिनीज वर्ल्ड तो जो अगर वो गिनीज वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड बनता है तो जो पार्टिसिपेट करेगा और वो क्वालिफाई होगा तो उसको विनिंग पार्टिसिपेंट का सर्टिफिकेट मिलेगा ऐसे वो भी बहुत बड़ी चीज है मतलब हम लोग गिनीज सुनते ही आए थे and he said I said when is the event he said it's next month I said next month the event तो तुम लोग तो 6 महीने से तुम बोल रहे प्रैक्टिस कर रहा हूँ मैं तो उसने बोला हाँ but somebody dropped off and we need a replacement and I thought and they wanted a replacement who doesn't need practice he said I know you don't need practice
Got it.
I've seen you speaking so I said ठीक है I'm in then I spoke to the organizers वो उन्होंने टॉपिक बोला कि नए भारत पे बात करना है डिजिटल इंडिया करके तो वो 3 मिनट का स्पीच बोलना था स्टेज पे आई वेंट टू गुजरात did this 3 minute thing I got qualified and the entire record also was made in 2020 22 April 2022 this new feather got into my kitty of being a winning participant for a Guinness World Record of most people in a speech relay so that's how it just fell in place
Yeah, the beautiful thing, Jatin, is कि जो हम सोचते हैं, हम मांगते हैं ना, उससे ज़्यादा ही मिलता है. Like,
exactly
you know,
exactly
uh, I have wrote things in my book, but I have received much more than that,
दिस इज
right?
द पावर ऑफ
Because
गिविंग नीरज ये पावर
yeah,
ऑफ गिविंग है ये एक गाना भी हमारा बॉलीवुड का ना तुम 1 रुपया दोगे तुमको 10 रुपया देगा
really,
राइट
yeah,
that beggar song now it is so true right now when I contribute to people's life without an expectation या विदाउट एनी ऑब्जेक्टिव कि भाई इसको हेल्प
correct,
करूंगा तो मुझे पैसा मिलेगा नो और नीरज मैं बताना भी चाहता हूँ शुरू में मेरा जर्नी था जब मेरा मोटो सिर्फ पैसा कमाना था और जब मेरा मोटो सिर्फ पैसा कमाना था मेरे पास क्लाइंट ही नहीं आता था क्लाइंट वुड नॉट गेट कन्वर्टेड और जब ऑथर कोचिंग मेरी लाइफ में नहीं था सिर्फ लाइफ कोचिंग था मैं और लोग 20,000 रुपए देने को भी तैयार नहीं होते थे बिकॉज माइंड में था इसको कन्वर्ट करना है इसको कन्वर्ट करना है contribution transformation was not my agenda but the moment I just flipped that mindset नहीं यार सब कह रहे हैं कि contribute कर clients will fall in place that's what happened I just focus on contribution and community fell in place whether it's life coaching or it's author coaching I just focus on adding value without even thinking कितना पैसा आएगा नहीं आएगा I don't think about money at all now
I feel like people need to understand this is कि when you provide like immense value in somebody's life, people are like, भाई तू पैसा ले ले बस तू मेरी जिंदगी सुधार दे. Like when they actually see that conviction, कि you should be convinced enough. Like it's not about telling somebody. It's about अगर मैं convinced हूँ ना कि हाँ मैं इसकी life को बदल सकता हूँ. Like The conviction in your voice is what transforms somebody from a lead to actually somebody who will consider you as a mentor, right? So you should be convinced. It's not that you have to convince the सामने वाला. तुम convinced हो क्या कि हाँ, अगर तुम x amount भी ले रहे हो, फॉर एग्जाम्पल 20,000 भी ले रहे हो किसी से और तुम उसको कोई सर्विस दे रहे हो, आर यू सेटिस्फाइड कि हाँ मैं इसको 20,000 से ज्यादा ही दे रहा हूँ, तो लेट इट बी, लाइक आई एम वेरी कन्विंस्ड. Once that conviction is there in
Yeah,
your voice now, everything falls in that place. So try to convince yourself कि हाँ जो मैं कर रहा हूँ ना, it is much more valuable than this. Then anybody will be agreeing with you.
absolutely true.
So you got into very interesting journey, like author, TEDx, Guinness Book of World Record winning participant. By the way, I am also one. uh,
Oh, wow.
yeah, yeah, so I also didn't, so मैंने ऐसे कुछ लिखा नहीं था. So my journey has been like I became part of Success Gyan Super Speaker. Right now I'm in like top 100, still running in the competition, right? So through that I got to be part of a world record. सो
Oh,
वो चीज़ है, आई
wow.
हैव द सर्टिफिकेट. एंड आई बिकेम, मेरे को पता ही नहीं था कि मैं, लाइक आई न्यू कि समवेयर डाउन द लाइन दैट आई कैन स्पीक वेल, बट आई नेवर थॉट कि हाँ ठीक है मैं एक ऐसा पब्लिक स्पीकर बन सकता हूँ, एंड इट विल, लाइक माई वॉइस विल एक्चुअली impacts people life, right? But somewhere
Yeah.
down the line I was like asking universe कि ठीक है मुझे बोलना है, I have a lot to share in my life, right? And then this message आया मुझे competition का, and I jumped into it. And I was like, मैं अंदर से इतना भरा पड़ा था कि मैंने बोला कि आप ऑनलाइन वीडियो मांग रहे हो, मैं तो स्टेज पे आके चिल्लाने के लिए तैयार हूँ. लाइक मुझे बस तो मौका चाहिए था. एंड आई डिड सेंड माई थिंग, एंड इट वाज लाइक टॉप 2000 में आना है, एंड आई हैड जितिन नो डाउट दैट आई विल कम इन टॉप 2000, नो डाउट एट ऑल. लाइक मुझे, लाइक आई नो अलॉट इट विल फील लाइक ओवर कॉन्फिडेंस, बट मुझे पता था कि मैं, एंड नाउ व्हेन आई गो बैक टू सी दैट वीडियो मुझे लगता है अरे मैंने कितनी गलतियां की है, एंड आई हैव कम सो फार इन माय पब्लिक स्पीकिंग जर्नी. बट समवेयर डाउन द लाइन इन माय हार्ट, इन माय गट, आई न्यू कि when I put this video out, I'm gonna give them more than what they expect, right? Just slightly more, but more than what they expect. And I had
True.
somewhere down the line कि यूनिवर्स का कॉल है ये मेरे लिए, बिकॉज आई वॉज जस्ट थिंकिंग अबाउट इट कि मैं कहाँ से शुरू करूँ पब्लिक स्पीकिंग, हाउ डू आई गेट ऑन द स्टेज, आस्क मी, आई विल कम फॉर फ्री, लाइक मुझे बस बोलना है, लाइक आई वांट एड वैल्यू, लाइक आई वांट स्पीक. एंड देन दिस
Yeah.
हैपेंड, एंड देन आई गॉट सिलेक्टेड. देन आई वाज लाइक ओके 2000 में आ गए. अब 2000 से इट वाज लाइक 500 में आना, सो वन फोर्थ ऑफ दैट. तो लाइक ओके ठीक है 2000 में आ जाऊंगा. then the challenges started coming, and then I realized okay, I'm good at this. And then I came into 500 also. एंड देन 500 पे भी मुझे भरोसा था कि चल 2000 में से 500 में तो आ ही जाऊंगा, वन फोर्थ जितना तो मेहनत की है. फ्रॉम 500 टू 100 आई वाज अ लिटिल डाइसी कि ठीक है, आई एम सेटिस्फाइड विद माई थिंग कि चलो मैं लाखों में से 2000 में आया, 2000 में से 500 में आया. आई वॉज वेरी कंटेंट कि ठीक है. एंड इट हेल्प मी बिकम अ बेटर स्पीकर,
Yeah.
राइट? दो चैलेंजेस, फिर मेरा इंस्टाग्राम भी ग्रो हुआ. थ्रू दैट स्पीकिंग वाला वीडियो आई स्टार्टेड माई इंस्टाग्राम ड्रीम विद नीरज, राइट? आई स्टार्टेड दिस जर्नी कि चलो मैं लोगों को इंस्पायर करता हूँ कि एक जॉब से बंदा जा रहा है, अपना लाइफ में कुछ करना चाहता है, ही डजंट नो वेयर टू बिगिन विद, बट ही इज शेयरिंग हिज इमोशन. I have shared everything. Like I have shared video where I've cried. I've shared video where I was in depression. I've shared video how I overcame that. I am like still sharing and journaling my life so that everybody who goes through the same path knows कि हाँ सब vulnerable होते हैं. Everybody is
Yeah.
vulnerable, right? But a very few amount will share it online so that it can contribute to
True.
people's life. And I was like कि मुझे वो बंदा बनना है. लाइक अगर एक बंदा भी मेरे को देख के इंस्पायर हो रहा है ना, सो ट्रस्ट मी, आई इन माई माइंड वुड हैव नॉट बिलीव दिस कि आई गॉट मैसेजेस फ्रॉम पीपल लाइक आई वॉज thinking of suicide. I was like having these thoughts, but your videos helped me. Like I am very positive in life right now.
Wow.
I was going through depression. Now I'm not. I was able to help a cancer patient garner funds. Right? Imagine doing that. Like, and the most beautiful part is money anyone can give.
Yeah.
When the person got to see the video that I made for her, she got her fighting spirit back, and that meant a world for me. A cancer patient listening to my video got her fighting spirit back because I took a stand for her, and I had no intention of earning money through it. I had no intention. मेरे को था कि ठीक है, if my voice can help. So his brother reached out to me, and he's a good friend, and he was like hesitant ki would you do this, a lot of people don't do this. So like I said, why not would I do this? Why not? It's an opportunity to me. Like I can
Yeah.
get some good karma, I can actually positively impact somebody's life. Why wouldn't I do it? And I did
Yeah.
it, and
True.
people blessed the video. It could help the person. That person got her fighting spirit back. So like if you start despite knowing that you are so afraid of doing it, eventually you will know what you are meant to do. You just have to stick long enough in the game, right? मतलब होता है ना, सूरज आने से पहले ही सबसे ज्यादा अंधेरा होता है, and you need to surpass that. You have to go through that darkest phase of the night जहाँ पे the first ray of light hits you, right? It's very very important, and it's just part of process.
See, I want to add to that, Neeraj, very beautifully you've said, but I also want to add to this that, like you said, sticking to the process. Why one must stick is because that's where you bring in the moment and feeling of surrender to the universe. The reason you should stick, like you said sometime back, that the universe is always with you. You have to have that faith inside you. It's not you versus universe. Your universe is gift. How can universe keep you in pain? So I really want viewers जो देख रहे हैं, people who are watching, you need to understand whatever is happening to you is not happening to you. It's happening for you. And have
Exactly.
the reason I'm so relaxed despite so many things happening in my life, even now, Neeraj, मुझे इतना blind faith है ना universe पे कि I know he is there with me. He's my partner. When you start, it's a hack to everyone I want to give from this through this podcast. When you come, like, universe is capable of handling anything, any big shit. Probably
Got it.
we are not. Whenever
Yeah.
you ask again a big shit that you have no control over, but universe does. I
Yes.
look up in the air and say, you know what, universe, I don't want to handle this alone. You take care. I surrender to you. I literally
Exactly.
surrender. I have conversations with the universe that I know this is happening for my good. I know this is going to happen for my good, but I don't want to handle this alone. You take over. So that is where, when they go to the rock bottom, like you have gone through rock bottom, I have gone through multiple rock bottoms, right? So that is where, when I did not lose hope, चाहे उसको हम God बोले, universe बोले, भगवान बोले, everything is, that is all universe. Have faith in that supreme power sitting out there. There is
True.
someone operating all of us. Have faith in that operator, that you are taken care by that operator.
Beautifully said.
Like Neeraj,
Beautifully said.
last month, I met you in Mumbai also. I was in Mumbai. I went to Siddhivinayak. I love to visit that
Yeah, it's a
place.
lovely place.
Now, while I was in that environment, in that aura, I love that Aarti and the Kakkad Aarti and everything. Now, in that somewhere, and I have to also inform my followers about it. There was a whisper in my ears that tell the world, tell your followers, tell your people, I'm there to take care of them. They don't have to worry. I was like, wow, like this is a universal message for all of you guys that universe is there to take care of you. Don't take stress in life. मेरे को तो इतना फेथ है ही, अपने जानने वालों को भी बोलो कि मुझ पे फेथ रखे, मैं हूं उनके साथ. So that's what I want to tell everyone, guys. Whatever is happening to you, the only reason you should stick to it and not get impatient or get depressed or sad or get anxious about it, because whatever is happening, believe me, tomorrow, just like me, you'll be laughing at a lot of things that happened to you in the past. अगर मैं कोच नहीं होता नीरज, तो वो टर्मिनेशन मेरे लिए बहुत डिप्रेसिव हो सकता था कि भाई अब क्या
Correct.
करूंगा, पैसा ये
Correct.
वो, फियर तो आता ही है ना कि क्या करूंगा.
हाँ हाँ हाँ,
But I'm
exactly.
so glad I took such a strong stand for my happiness, for my credibility, for my happiness, for my strength, कि यार मैं किसी का slave नहीं बनूंगा. And I was done with the corporate culture either. And I didn't want to go back to that world again. So I'm so happy I took that action, because, like you said, I like what you said. You can either decide or discuss or decide. So I'm so glad that was one day I didn't discuss with anyone. I said, बड़ा decision है ले ले. And when I
Correct.
became a coach, I realized the only way you can make more powerful decisions is by taking more decisions. Decisions that you resist, you should take more of them.
Correct.
That is where your subconscious mind will get a message and evidence that you're good at decision making. People come to me, they can't decide anything in life due to whatever belief system they have. So if you really want to be good at decision making, start taking more decisions. It can be small decisions like what to wear today to work. People even struggle in that. And
Yeah, true.
I won't lie, even I used to struggle. At times I still struggle. And I end up taking any random decision. लेना है इसको, मुझे evidence नहीं देना कि I'm not good at decision making. I am good
Correct.
at decision making.
Correct. I tell this to people, and I very correlate with you, is the life that you want is behind the decisions that you have not made yet.
Yeah, exactly.
Right?
True.
So very, very beautifully said. And it's a very important message for people out there. An interesting fact is you have to surrender. because you don't know things about what's going to happen, right? I dedicated this year to Mahadev. So I when I quit my job, I went to Uttarakhand, I went to Kedarnath. I was somewhere in my mind, I had a very strong intuition that I need to be there. I often visit Jyotirlingas. On my birthday this Monday, I visited Nasik, Trambakeshwar, and
Wow.
whenever you go to such places, you carry that energy with you. You carry that blessings with you, right? I do it for myself. A lot of people ask me, "अरे क्या हो गया जवानी में तू चार धाम कर रहा है?" Like, like, why would I wait to get old if I can enjoy it right now in my full health,
Yeah.
right? And I'm working out hard for it. Like I am very obsessed with fitness, right? A fit mind, a fit body. तो मैं क्यों एंजॉय ना करूँ? व्हाई शुड आई सीक द ब्लेसिंग्स व्हेन आई एम गोना डाई? बाय द वे आई हैव डाइड वंस ऑलमोस्ट आई फील, बट इट्स लाइक कि अभी मैं उसका फायदा उठाऊँ ना, व्हेन आई कैन एक्सपीरियंस इट द मोस्ट, एंड इफ आई हैव अ
Exactly.
intuition. And I was very surprised, like when I went to Kedarnath, it snowed heavily, like it was the first day of snowing. I woke up in Brahma Muhurat 3:30 like everybody in my tent was sleeping. I was like meditating, crying, like I am somebody जिसको ठंडी बर्दाश्त नहीं होती है, बट आई वाज सरप्राइज कि मेरे को लगी नहीं ठंडी, लाइक आई वाज इन सो ब्लिस. मतलब मुझे तो इतना मजा आ गया कि मतलब इट्स वन ऑफ माय लाइफ बेस्ट मेमोरीज, राइट? एंड I can't tell, like I have a very strong connection with Mahadev somehow, like he's been there for me. That is what I feel. I have surrendered, like मैंने बोला कि ले लो आप ये एक साल, मैं तो बस कोशिश करने वाला हूँ, बाकी सब आपके हाथ में है. Like वो it's your thing, like you have to surrender, because that is when you become. So there is a very interesting thing that I want to share. I don't know if people will understand this clearly, but there is something called as the concept of nothing and everything, right? So when you meditate, or when you raise yourself to a frequency, you forget about yourself. So I am no longer Neeraj. So when I am no longer Neeraj, I am everything else, right? You understand this? Let me repeat this. When I'm no longer Neeraj, I am nothing, right? At the same time, when I forgive my existence, I become everything, right? And that is very interesting, because that is why meditation has so much of power, or you yourself raising to your frequency has so much power, because you let go of your mortal thing and you become the all energizing universe, right? And you become that. And I have had so much of moments in my life in this past year where, like, I've chanted Om Namah Shivaya for like 20, 30, 40 minutes, 1 hour. And if I share that recording with someone, it gives them goosebumps, because that is how, like, in trance state I am, right? Like very very trance state. And it's very very
Wow.
special thing for me to achieve. But like, and that point of time, I let go of Neeraj. I am like everything else apart from Neeraj. And that has somehow helped me. So I just wanted to share this, and I got an intuition that I should share this. And I'm a big believer of intuitions, because I didn't knew कि महाशिवरात्रि is gonna have like 2 days of thing. I just had intuition कि मुझे 48 hours का fast करना है, and then somebody in my friend told me कि पंचांग के हिसाब से 2 दिन थे. And I was like, okay. I just knew somehow that I had to do 48 hours. Even on my birthday, like it was Monday, and every 3 to 4 years my birthday comes on Mahashivratri. And somehow I had felt like कि मुझे जाना है ज्योतिर्लिंग on my birthday, and I got to know कि उस दिन अष्टमी भी थी. So it happens with me, like I am like, okay, and it will only happen when you surrender. Like
Yeah, I
I
agree.
no longer feel like कि ये success मेरी है या ये failure मेरा है. I am just an instrument. I am just an instrument of this universe to make things happen, because universe खुद को mortalize नहीं कर सकता. So it sends people like us, or anybody who wants to actually contribute, वो उस intention को पढ़ता है. और जब वो उस intention को पढ़ता है ना, वो बोलता है ले बेटा कर. Because if you are somebody who can help me achieve more goodwill, achieve things that people want in life, then you achieve everything you want in life, right? So
Hmm.
just wanted to add that. uh,
Beautiful.
and you know now moving into things, like your journey is very exciting to me, like from job to TEDx to Guineas. And the next stage you unlocked was like, brightest mind 45 under 45, if I'm not wrong, right? So
Yes.
I know this might surprise you, but I would like to know, like, what how did this happen, right?
See, I think when you grow, when you do work online and you get noticed, that is that is the power of social media, I think. So you have organizations who contact you, and they contact you for multiple things, and I don't respond to everything. That's my habit. I don't look at everything I receive. It's again a
Hmm.
universal call. I got this
Obviously.
call, and it was very last minute. Again, if last minute things happen with me a lot, and I know it's a universal call, I cannot ignore this. So I was traveling to Kashmir, and this was, I think, 2 3 weeks before I was traveling to Kashmir, that there is an event, and we love the work you're doing online, and we have a title called 45 under 45 India edition. Along with you, there are a lot of legends from various industries being awarded for the work they're doing. I said, can you name a few? So they said one is Badshah, which is, who's a
Yeah, yeah,
Bollywood singer,
singer.
rapper. Then you have Gagan Nara, who's an Olympic athlete. You have NTR Jr., who's a South superstar. I
Yeah.
said, wow. And so you have Saina Nehwal. I said, wow. Like, and he said, you can be one of them. And of course, I never thought I'm less than anyone, but I was definitely surprised to know that they want to reward and award me along with people who are already legends. Like, they have created a legacy with their work. And I said, that's a universal call for you, Jatin. Uh, universe doesn't want you to feel that you know less than anyone in whatever field. You should go for it. And I'm so glad the Kashmir trip ended, and just the next day we had this award ceremony, and the Kashmir trip was already booked, everything in advance. I'm glad the dates did not clash. Otherwise, I had to either cancel a trip or this award function, and it was in Delhi, my own city, so I was able to do it. But I'm very happy for the fact that my work was noticed and is being noticed. I get a lot of invitations like these to be part of their panel, to be part of this, to be part of that. But of course, I don't deviate from my agenda. So I only take actions that's going to help me focus on my mission that I have right now. That's
But
what.
it's good, no? It's good. Like, I tell this to people that we often underestimate ourselves. And there is a line that this is my quote is like, you yourself can be somebody's dream,
Hmm.
right? And it
True.
hits me hard, right? If you are a very good speaker, there are people who pay, who want to speak fluently, right? There are small things that you do very comfortably can be very hard for someone else, right? And you are doing it flawlessly, so take a pride in that. Be grateful for your own progress as well, right? Like, if Jatin looks back कि हाँ एक 16 साल का लड़का था और आज वो क्या कर रहा है, राइट? इफ आई लुक बैक कि हाँ एक एक टूटा फूटा सा बंदा था बेड पे, आज वो क्या कर रहा है, राइट? एंड देयर हैज बीन इमोशनल ट्रॉमा एंड स्टफ, हर एक के साथ होता है. इट्स लाइक आई हैव रियलाइज दिस इन लॉन्ग रन दैट यू नो
Hmm.
you feel that you have gone through something which is very specific for you, but the fact of the world is कि सबके साथ होता है. Like, there is nothing that would have only happened with you and not with anybody else. Like, there are people who have broken necks, there are people who have gone through abuse, there are people who have gone through bullying, and you are not the only one who have faced that. And if you are not the only one who have faced that, you can be a survivor, a motivation, a inspiration for a lot of people who are facing it right now, right? So yeah, take pride in what you have become, and I'm really grateful to have people like you on my show, and who are really really contributing in people's life, right? And their main agenda is not like to just earn, and which is not a bad thing, because a lot of people take things कि अच्छा ठीक है, earn करने के लिए ये कर रहा है, earn करने के लिए वो कर रहा है, which is absolutely fine. Everybody has to uh, you know create their livelihood, right? Everybody
Yeah.
has to survive. But if you're doing that by helping somebody make their life better, what great ways to earn. I don't
Yeah.
understand. Like, there is no ashame or like think हाँ ठीक है अगर कोई कुछ कर रहा है तो yeah, be very prideful of what you are doing in life. So
Yeah.
before we end this, like, I wanna ask you, as a life coach, what are the three things that you would advise to people out there?
See, I think three things. I'll again repeat the same thing, which is your happiness is your responsibility, Neeraj. So,
Yes.
number one, if I have to really put into pointers, number one, take ownership of your happiness. Believe you me, no angel will fall from the heaven and come say, "Come, I'll take you out of the situation." That doesn't happen. It doesn't happen in movies these days. So
You
please,
are that angel.
यू आर गॉड, यू आर द क्रिएटर. जो हम बचपन से बोलते हैं ना कि बच्चे भगवान का रूप होता है, एक्चुअली हर कोई भगवान का रूप है. क्योंकि अगर
Yes.
क्या बोला जाता है एनर्जी में, कृष्णा ने क्या बोला है कि सब चीज एनर्जी है. आइंस्टाइन क्या बोल के गए, इज इक्वल टू एमसी स्क्वायर. एवरीथिंग इज एनर्जी. इफ एवरीथिंग इज एनर्जी, नीरज, देन गॉड इज ऑल्सो एनर्जी, राइट? And if
True.
God is energy, I am energy. At the energy level, we're all one. So technically, I am God. So number one, take responsibility of your happiness. Number two, I think before responsibility, I will say first accept that you need to fix something in life. ये
True.
जो लोग घमंड में रहते हैं ना यार, मेरे को यार मेरी लाइफ एकदम मस्त है यार, मेरे को कुछ
हाँ,
नहीं
ज़रूरत ही
चाहिए,
नहीं है।
सब बकवास नहीं
हाँ,
चाहिए.
सॉर्टेड
तो
हूँ मैं।
नंबर वन, bring acceptance in your life. Yes, something is wrong. Probably you are not the expert to identify what's wrong. That's why we have coaches, therapists,
या,
counselors in
एग्ज़ैक्टली,
place.
एग्ज़ैक्टली,
Just
एग्ज़ैक्टली।
like नीरज, हम लोग बचपन में स्कूल में कोई सब्जेक्ट नहीं समझ आता था. स्कूल की
हुँ,
पढ़ाई
हुँ।
सबको पता है कैसे कराते थे लोग. तो
हाँ, फिर
हम लोग
ट्यूशन जाओ।
ट्यूशंस जाते थे कोचिंग के लिए.
हाँ,
क्यों जाते थे? क्योंकि आपको वो सब्जेक्ट समझ नहीं आया था और
करेक्ट,
आपको उस
करेक्ट,
ट्यूटर से हैक्स चाहिए थे टू गेट थ्रू टू दैट सब्जेक्ट.
करेक्ट।
Similarly, life is also a subject. And fortunately or unfortunately, we have not been raised with this subject का knowledge at all. तो अगर उस सब्जेक्ट में आप फॉल्टर कर रहे हो तो इट इज ओके, रीच आउट टू समवन हु इज बीन ट्रेन्ड टू कोच ऑन दैट सब्जेक्ट व्हिच इज अ लाइफ कोच. So go for it. So that's one acceptance. Number two, take ownership of your happiness. Do everything that makes you happy, everything good, without harming anyone. Yes. Intentional harming नहीं होना चाहिए. Second thing है कि अपनी happiness आपकी ही responsibility है. The one you see in the mirror should be happy at the end of the day, come what may, without intentionally harming anyone. And last but not the least, start trusting the universe. The universe, it's not a fight between you and the universe. It is, universe is you, and you are the universe. Just the day you accept this, you will never be afraid of managing or handling anything that comes your way. So there are a lot of
True.
things to share, but if people start applying these three things: acceptance, ownership of your happiness, and then surrender, these three things should do the work for people who are watching this right now.
Got it. That was really beautiful, and I feel like these three things can be the main pillars to start with. Obviously, you need a lot of introspection inside yourself because everybody has a very different life journey. So,
But people don't
um,
even accept. देखो पहली चीज एक्सेप्टेंस ही नहीं, तो वो कहाँ ही ओनरशिप लेगा.
हाँ,
ओनरशिप
correct.
लेगा, देखो इट्स ऑल इंटर रिलेटेड. व्हेन यू
Yes,
एक्सेप्ट
yes.
is when you want to take ownership of the things you want to improve in your life. When you take ownership is when you take actions also. When you take actions, you get results also. बट
True.
एक्शंस आप कब लोगे? बिना किसी फियर के, जब आपको सरेंडर करोगे यूनिवर्स को कि वॉट एवर इज हैपनिंग, इट्स ऑल इंटरकनेक्टेड. दैट्स व्हाई आई स्पोक ऑफ दीस थ्री
Yeah,
थिंग्स दैट वर्क
yeah.
really for me. Even today, let's say if I struggle in something, I know this is a skill I don't know about. I need to learn more of it. That's the
Correct.
acceptance I have. Second, I
Correct.
take ownership of it कि हाँ मुझे ये फिक्स, ठीक है, एक्सेप्ट तो कर लिया, बट व्हाट्स नेक्स्ट? The ownership that yes, I want to learn this skill from someone who's an expert. For example, give you a
Got it.
recent example. Neeraj, I realize my health needs attention. मुझे diseases भी हो रहे हैं, मेरा fat, I could see visible fat in my body. I said ये पूरा लंबा जिंदगी नहीं चलेगी इससे. At the end,
Correct.
only this body is gonna support me. I took, that's the acceptance that my health needs attention. Number two,
Correct.
ownership. I went to the gym, took a tour of the gym, and because I took the ownership of my health of that area, I paid to the membership. I know I need support. I have never done weightlifting. I've never done the right postures ever. I need a
Correct.
trainer, personal trainer. I hired a PT also. Now this only
Correct.
happens when you take ownership of your that particular area of life. I took ownership of my health. एंड आई,
Correct.
थर्ड सरेंडर तो मुझे है ही भगवान पे
हाँ, हाँ,
कि ये
वो
जो
तो
भी
है।
हो रहा है अच्छे के लिए हो रहा है, राइट?
हाँ, हाँ,
इवन इफ आई
एग्ज़ैक्टली।
एम, एंड जिम में जाने से क्या प्रॉब्लम होगी? कुछ प्रॉब्लम, मुझे कोई डर नहीं है कि मुझे कोई इंजरी हो जाएगी, कुछ कोई डर नहीं है मुझे. आई हैव फुल faith in that universe
Faith.
that whatever is happening for my good.
Correct, correct. So I think I had a very very beautiful conversation with you, and you like जो भी इसको देख रहा है, I think he will or he or she will get a lot of wisdom nuggets out there, right? And I think Jatin has so much to offer कि हम उसको
Yeah,
एक एपिसोड में कवर नहीं कर सकते.
exactly.
And I know he's gonna be back. I know he enjoyed the conversation, so I'm looking forward to having Jatin back. और फिर हम लाइफ कोचिंग को और डेप्थ में कवर करेंगे, लाइक स्पेसिफिकली लाइफ कोचिंग, हाउ डू यू बिकम, हाउ डू यू सर्वाइव, हाउ डू यू अर्न थ्रू दैट. But I really want to thank you from the bottom of my heart. I think this is also what universe meant to do, right? We met in Mumbai, and how
Yeah.
we exchanged our number. I got to be part of his community, right? And this is how things happen. Like, you just have to have the intention to meet the right people. I met Jatin. Thank you so much for being on the show again, and I love to host you again. So yeah,
Sure.
definitely stay tuned for the upcoming episodes, and this is it for today.
हमारी बस एक छोटी सी रिक्वेस्ट है, अगर आप लोगों को ये पॉडकास्ट अच्छा लग रहा है ना और इससे आपकी लाइफ में वैल्यू ऐड हो रही है ना, तो इसको एक बंदे के साथ ज़रूर शेयर करना. इससे हमें पता चलता है कि हम अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं एंड लोगों को उसी काम का बेनिफिट मिलता है. सो थैंक यू.